Oh, crap. Wow, you did it. I'm proud of you, Moon. I always knew you could, and I always knew you would. And that's how I got you here. You notice how you're all alone. This is all according to my plan. Oh, hey, Tanuki, how's it going? Hello, hi, hey, hi. Pizza. Oh, hey, proper duck. Damn, what's up? Hey, we're gonna do Blender today. It's more Blender. Hey, I'm in Blender too! Oh shit! I no longer feel so alone. No, you are saved. But I don't, just you wait. Next time, I'm gonna pick up your goobler and swing them around like a cowboy rope and throw and hook onto the jukebox to switch the song. Don't even need a new redeem, we just need the power of imagination. Wait a minute, where'd you get that net hat? That is a hat you get if you do the first redeem, but you gotta be first said to get the hat. So yeah, I really wanted to have like a cool animation when you do the redeem, but I'm lazy. Lame. It be this way. I can do a birthday thing. The issue is like I don't stream every day, so I'd miss a lot of birthdays and I'd feel pretty sad. I guess I could make a system where like it tracks all the like birthdays between the previous and next stream, and then every person's birthday could be celebrated. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like most people wouldn't want to have their birthdays exposed. It's a little embarrassing. It's a special hat for a special person. Here's your head pats. Pat, 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 pat. I mean, that in 3D space, I'm not really patting it, but it's fine. Anyway, speaking of Tanukis, man, Tanuki, I had a Tanuki encounter today. It was crazy. Maybe one day you'll see it. I'll expose my birthday. It's really? Wait, really? Is it really tomorrow? What? Oh, bruh. I genuinely believed that your birthday was tomorrow. I thought for certain. I was like, oh my god, Moon, holy shit, wow. Tanuki encounter of what sort? Don't worry about it. Or am I? Can I figure this in? Oh. Don't test me. I will find this information out. Also, I'll be back like, thank you for the stream, Jake Whoppy. I think next time we should do heroin so you're extra active. No, I'm going to be less active today. I'm so tired. I spent all day socializing and doing things and being productive, and I didn't even do all the things I wanted to do. I did like a half the things. Well, let me look at my to-do list. How much did I do today? Notes. Open the notes app. Okay, here it is. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things to do today. I did 2 of them. I determined that 2 were not possible to do. Oh, I did this one. Okay, so that's 3 out of 8. And then I'm doing art fight stuff on stream, and I'm streaming. So that's 4 and 5. You know what? I'm actually gonna be able to do everything. I just missed one thing. Okay, I mean, I guess I haven't done the art fight stuff yet, but I'm going to. That's what I was gonna bring up. Speaking of Tanukis, the person who's dragged you into art fight. Hello, hi. It's time for me to render my 3D characters onto a 2D projection, so I may upload them onto the art fight website. I'm looking at the page right now, and I guess I need... Okay, here's art fight character submission. I need a name, I need a description, and I need a main image and a thumbnail image. So I guess it's the same image but remixed. I guess you only get one image per character. That can't be right. I feel like I've seen other characters with multiple images. I guess once I add this main image, more image options will be available for me to add. Maybe, I don't know. But I gotta create an image, because all my characters are characters for games I've developed, and they're all 3D models, because I only... 5 stream streak, let's go! 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Sir's character library on art fight is naked. I don't tell anyone. My birthday is easy to remember, especially if you're European. What is your birthday, Whoppy? If you're European, what's special about Europe? What would be specific to Europe? I don't know. Is it Brexit Day? That's the only thing I know about Europe. Another one? Wait, no, I've already did the 6, 7, right? Yeah. I'm bribing you for first. Whoa. Sup? Why are the visuals frozen for me? Are they frozen? Is the stream frozen? Don't fuck with me like this, Izera. I'm gonna refresh my page. Oh, you made me refresh the page and I'm not frozen. I can't believe this. It's the 23rd of April. Straight up 2, 3, 4. Wait. Oh, because in Europe, they do date, month, year. So it's 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay. I think it was just me. I refreshed and it was fine. You're all good. I appreciate you letting me know. Don't ever hesitate to let me know if there's an error. I may make it a joke, but I do not mind. You know, it's better than like having your mic off for the whole time. Everyone's like, oh, this is just my issue personally. It's like, no! Everyone here's no mic, but then no one says anything because everyone's afraid to be the one that debates into an issue that's just on their side. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm audio only since my store's a Faraday cage. A Faraday cage? Am I supposed to know what that means? I guess it means it has a lot of people in it. And you have to like pay attention. It's an enclosure made of conductive material that blocks external electromagnetic fields and electric charges. Okay, that's very interesting. Oi! Yo, Invoke, how's it going? I was deaf confused too. Fake Invoke. This is the original Invoke. I'll have you know. I think your mic is muted. Thank you, Pawn. I wouldn't have known without you. I think I was also born on 1 a.m. So it's 1 a.m. of 2, 3 of April. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Well, mine is, not as interesting. The end. I'm in pre-stream, so it might be lol. Well, I'm in current stream, so nice. I hope you have a good stream, Random. Holy cow, a 25 fucking stream streak by Pawn. 5-day stream streak, curb stomp, you're welcome. Oh my god, Izera has a 30 stream streak, yo! I was getting worried. Everyone recently has had small stream streaks, and I was like, oh, I guess maybe my bad scheduling fucked up everyone's streaking. But no. Izera and Pawn are out here. Izera especially. The myth, the legend, the master of all. Yeah, my stream streak is the best one, I think. Sir, I found a picture I took of you and Just Invoke so I can show on next stream. Alright, fine. Maybe you should. Have it your way. If that, if that's what it takes to get you to stream in the first place, then it'd be worth it. That's all I could ever ask for. Just another Tanuki stream, please. Streak would be higher if you don't flake. It's just I'm trying. I don't flake a lot. I've been pretty good recently. If it were for that backpacking trip, I'd basically have every day of this month done except one. Or I guess last month. Your bad scheduling fucked my streak up, but that's because of time zones. No, even if I mess up my scheduling, I still stream at the same time. You just gotta be ready at all times, every day. Look. Okay, wait. Before we continue, let me open up Chester. It's time to start working on the first OC. The first character I can like call like my original character, because a lot of them aren't that good, and a lot of them I use placeholder assets. But Chester, actually even before Chester, my GBA game had a character that I drew. But and then before that, I had Paradox. Oh my god, the cat from Paradox. She's like a witch or something that turns into a cat. Do you think there's any chance I could open that game up on this stream? There's no fucking way, right? Unity? Here it is, Paradox. Oh my god, do I have Unity installed? Can I open this project? Paradox is a game project I worked on in 2022 about a cat, about a time-traveling cat. So I guess this whole stream is gonna be me going through my like history of game dev to collect all my characters to put into art fights. Okay. I mean, if I can get Unity working, I gotta sign into Unity. Sign in. Oh, I don't know my sign in for Unity. Oh my goodness. Okay, you'll have to give me a second. I'm gonna turn my screen black so I don't leak any of my passwords. But hold your horses. Don't worry. I'm working on stuff. The stream is still happening, even if it is a black screen right now. Audio only motherfuckers are rejoicing right now, but everyone else, they're screaming. They're like, how can you do this to us? How can you derive us to the visual aspect of the visual auditory medium? And to that I say, well, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But if I can get Paradox working on stream, that'd be like a nice win, because number one, that character is fully drawn and ready to go. So I don't have to do anything. It's a 2D game. Can you believe it? The last 2D game I ever worked on. And it was after that I realized that I hate 2D. And I haven't gone back since, but it's still like a piece of my history. I need to get my verification code for my email. Hold on. And that is why I must go and put in my verification code, which is 123476. Wow, that's like, it's cool. Like the first four are 1, 2, 3, 4. That's awesome. Like, isn't that like a cool coincidence? Yeah, I'm accepting your new terms of service. Yes, I'm opening the link. Close this. I guess I'll keep that open for now. Okay, it should bring me to Unity Hub. Got it. Install Unity Editor. So I don't have a single editor installed? That can't be right. I don't have any Unity is installed? No. No, come on. I have one somewhere. Right? Wait, skip installation. Agree. No, I don't. Okay, we can bring it back. But I absolutely do not have a Unity installed. Look at that. It's all empty. Crap. I need to update this to, okay, we'll restart. Please don't make me sign in Unity. I'm begging. Oh, we're doing this. But okay, here's our first mission of the day. Get the Paradox character. Show off Paradox, first of all. I feel like a couple of you would really appreciate this game. This is kind of a cool game. But once I show it off, I could then... Oh, I'm like scared it's gonna dock something of me, though. Because I have my, like... Hold on, agree... Oh, fuck off! Wait. I'm already signed in the browser, so it's... Oh, that beautiful... Freaking beautiful. Wow, they changed a lot since that last update. Okay, installs. I have none. Official releases. We're gonna install an editor. I guess we want the latest LTS 6. See, I don't know if my project's compatible with 6. Unity 6. So I can go through all this, just open Paradox and it not work. Even though I opened it apparently in 2025, and I'm pretty sure version 6 was in 2025. Oh god, don't show anything too weird. Why can't I just install it for the whole computer? I don't know. Continue. Agree. Install. Okay. We have Unity installing. While that's installing, So that's the first character I'm going to do is Paradox's witch cat person. Let's also get Chester up. Chester is the protagonist of Mimiquick, my project from 2022 to 2023. No, it was from 2023 to 2024. Yeah. And I worked on that like every day for a month and did a series, and it was kind of popular. Like one video blew up and the rest were kind of meh. So if we go to Godot, it's not called Mimiquick though, it's called Project Funny Hands, I think. Go to Project Funny Hands, Project, yeah, do whatever you need to, Unity. And it's in one of these. I don't know how I structured my Godot projects before, so I'm a little confused. I think it's objects, maybe? No. Scenes, code, art. It's probably an art. Models, player. Okay, here we go. We have Mimiquick stuff. Do I have a Mimiquick? I don't, do I? You know, I bet. Oh, there's a separate save for it over here. Player. Okay, player Mimic. Open. Don't save. Come on, Chester. Okay, there we go. It's a little janky. It's a little wrong. Why is it so big? What the hell? Where's the face? Oh, I think I gotta hide this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we are. Hello, Chester. It's been a bit. Now, of course, Chester doesn't have legs. Chester's a little iffy looking. So I want to do some modifications. I'm gonna probably make a save as, so I don't have to ruin everything. I should probably make a new folder for art fight. Let me do that. Hold on. I know I haven't read chat in a bit. You have to give me a second. I hate. I'm sorry. I don't mean to scream, but holy fucking shit, do I hate when a piece of software doesn't let you use your native file explorer. It's unfucking believable. The fact that I pull up like my open thing for Blender and it shows me this. What the fuck is this? And you know, this one's actually pretty good, but it's not intuitive. And it's so much extra work on Blender's part just to give me a worse experience. I know damn well there's not a single excuse in the modern era for any software to not use the native file explorer. There's actually no excuse. And if it is this way, it's because the developers are pathetic and incorrect. Ooh. That's a default phallic explorer. I'm sorry. I meant file. I may have been a bit angry. Anyway, let me just create an art fight folder. Art fight. I'm gonna put my character's thing in there. And then Chester. And then Chester.blend goes here. Save as. Oh, all right. Pop out chat. Hello, everyone. How y'all doing? Where was the last time I read? Fake invoke. I remember that. I'm pre-stream. My stream trick is the best one, I think. Sir, I found a picture of you. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Streak would be higher if you don't fly. I know! Oh, you're bad scheduling. Okay, I saw that. I stream once a week and I flake 2 weeks in a row. What the Zara? So, like, you're just as bad as me. Oh, were you serious about doing the game-like jam? I'm not sure. I'm serious in the sense that I think it'd make a really good YouTube video to make Minecraft an RPG Maker, but outside of that, I'm not gonna do it. And I can't think of a good way to do that video, so I'm probably not gonna do it at all, even though I really want to, and I really love Minecraft. And I did say, if I could do a 3D platformer for the next game-like jam, I would do it. So, I'm still iffy, and I've always wanted to do a Minecraft but I'm so deep into my current game project and I don't want to disrupt it, and I know I will if I get into this. So I don't know. No. Unfortunately, no. Unless I come up with an idea of how I can make making Minecraft an RPG Maker interesting, I'm not gonna do it. Now, am I in the right scene? Okay, thank goodness. What am I saying? The issue with RPG Maker or Minecraft and RPG Maker is I could code it, but that wouldn't be a good video. I need to, excuse me, goddamn. I need to be able to do a lot of the God, y'all, what? I need to be able to do a lot of the problem solving and calculations in RPG Maker events. If I do that, then it becomes interesting and cool. But I don't think I'm going to be able to, because I need to be able to modify arrays, which RPG Maker can't do. I mean, it could with, like, variables are a big array, so maybe I could store all the arrays in variables and then use that array somehow. But at some point, I need to use, like, coding scripts, and I need to be able to render these mesh arrays somehow, and it's just not gonna work. Unfortunately not. So, I ate 5 kiwis for a snack. Yeah, but that's my problem. You start streaming when I'm going to sleep. I'm sorry, Invoke. I have 0 streams for 20 days straight. Zara. Yeah. That was me once. It's 2 a.m. every other day. What do you stream when you stream, Isaiah? I don't watch people off too often. Did I tell you that my table support partner was so very jelly I didn't introduce him to you? Oh! I remember your table support partner. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have said hi. I feel bad now. Oh, no, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a meetup with some devs in a bit. I should like. Okay, we should connect later. Also, I got something in the Supernova. Oh shit! Your whole history of game dev. Yes. Anyway, everyone, you can go. I'm gonna be at Supernova, which was formerly known as Super Smash Con. It's like the big Smash Bros. Con. I didn't even know they had indie booths there, but I'm gonna be there. Tanuki is now apparently gonna be there too. So you know. Go consider coming to Supernova. Me strategically not joining art fight because I'm terrible at getting shit done. Yo, Isaiah, I meant to do this character stuff so long ago, I still haven't. But I'm hoping at the very least I can improve my modeling skills just a tiny bit. Just a little bit for art fight. With art fight. Sir would be like collecting my characters. Turn off the lights. So it'll be like 2 games. What? Oh, no. Oh, it'll be like 2 games I can pull characters from for my whole history. I mean, if you're talking about game projects that are incomplete, it's a lot of games. It's way more than 2 games. Video-only viewers are raging right now. The last 2D game is a sick title. Sir scammed live on stream. Is it not on itch or the 2D files? Oh no! Every game project I could ever refer to is incomplete. Oh, I guess you're right though. I do have itch games that I've made. And those are complete games. I don't think of those as like real games though. Is that fucked up? I don't see my Game Jam games as real games. And so like, I don't even think about them when I think about my game development history. But you're right, I made Nimbot. And Nimbot's like my first game OC for real. Let me open my itch. Is there anything worth putting on my art fight? Oh, this is the wrong browser to use. Whoops. I want you, Firefox. Can I please have some security? Thank you. Somerandev.itch.io. And then what do we got here? Oh, we do have corporate trimming, but corporate trimming wasn't my characters, even though I really love, what was it, Candidate 6? If you haven't played corporate trimming, this is a collab game I did. It's really good. I recommend it. Everything else here is kind of meh. Nimbot's meh. Untitled GBA platform. No, I can't. No, not Doral. Oh, here it is. Run locked. Technically, I'm doing this character, so that's something for my itch. Teleport Man is a faceless character, so that doesn't really do anything. Codfather has like faceless sharks that I have no connection to. Soot Found is just a foot. So I make a lot of games with abstract characters. Oh my goodness. This is such a reflection of how I feel. I care not about story, but about gameplay. Chicken Jockey and RPG Maker in 2026. I like it when you say a piece of software. Who is texting me? Oh yeah, okay, that's a random person. You did say that today, July 1st, 2026 on twitch.tv. Sir, what did I do to you? What? What? Wait, Topo Cock. Wait, what are you saying? Check out the Landfest charity group. They always love to schedule indie devs to supplement esports/LAN event. They are in almost every state. Oh, interesting. Good morning or evening. You never know who may love your character. I've seen characters that were clearly an old drawing from when they were a kid, and I loved it so much I'm drawing. Oh, yeah, but like, it's a foot. The character is a foot. That's not even my model. It's a model. It's a free to use model I took from somewhere. That's the character. Oh, I guess you might be arguing for the shark. I hate the sharks. I don't want anyone to make my sharks. They're not cute enough. I don't like them. What's with you in the look? Okay, it's not me. It's not me, Pink Tanuki. Listen. It's my friend's game jam, and their big thing is that they like footstep sounds in games. They're like a big connoisseur of footstep sounds in gaming. So I was like, here, let me make for their game jam, I'm going to make a game about playing as a foot. I love the shark. Shut the fuck up. Take it back. I take it back. I'm sorry. I tic-tac-toe. I'm not saying I don't like the sharks. I just like, you know, I wish I gave them like a bow or something cute, something iconic, because they were just like the most generic version of making a shark. Who is your friend Toro? I don't know what that means. Is that a reference to something I don't understand? I'm so confused. Okay. Can I zoom back out, chat? Thank you. Guillermo del... What are you saying? I'm sorry. I don't. Guillermo del Toro, Mexican filmmaker and author. Oh, what'd they make? Oh, is this someone who's in the feet? Is that the joke? Okay, I understand now. I understand what is happening. I am picking up what you're putting down. I am slurping up what you're spitting out. The director. Okay, yeah, well, does feedy shots a lot. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, here's a question. Here's a question to all you gamers, unrelated. Why is it that in the thing I just saw, in my thumbnail for the run locked on itch, my character's face was green, but now it's pink? Which one is the canon one? Is it this? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to do like this. And then... Can I move this? Why is the head separate from the skeleton? I don't know. No, why is it not moving everything? Can I move this? No, I want to move this. This. Okay. That is basically everything. We're gonna G that up and then rotate it. I need to model some legs. I also need to make it so the head is moving forward. So I have to modify the skeleton for that. Pose mode? Well, that didn't do anything. Ah, nice. Okay, well, in that case, grab you. Oh my god. This character is so poorly done. Oh no. Okay. All right. This is probably gonna look banger if I could render it in like low resolution. That's feedy shots. Green. It's whatever you believe in. Sir, help. I think my arm weight paints got messed up somehow. They were fine a minute ago. Wait, what? Your weight paint? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh no. Sir won't accept my tic-tac-toe request because they are a coward, not because they are busy streaming. It's true. Wait a minute, you're a tic-tac-toe request. I literally sent one to you like right before I started streaming. Is it not like a delayed thing? Can I not like wait and like do my turn later? Do I have to like do it live in front of each other? What happened to Plug Robot Girl? The 7th! Read the title of the stream, because today we are rendering my before characters in Blender. Oh, shoot. My Unity 6.5 installation, it failed to install Visual Studio 2026. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show off Paradox. This is so sad. 6-7. I was asleep again. I was a post-dental nap. It's okay. It's all right. You know, and I'm just in a nap too. That's why I can't respond. I'm sorry. Can I open Unity right now? How do I open this? It says I have an editor. How do I make it exist? Do I have to add my project to my projects? Import projects. GitHub, games, Unity, Paradox. Select folder. What do you mean? Select the folder. What? Import project. Oh, I gotta do it all again. Games, Unity. Is it this folder it wants me to select? Maybe? Oh, it was! Okay, I got Paradox. But it's saying applications built with this editor version have no security issue. Update editor before what? But I just downloaded that editor. It's a fresh new editor. In order to install editor version 6000, or I guess that's version 6. Okay. I guess I'll do that. Continue. Okay, apparently I have to install a different editor version for Paradox. Back to this. Well, I guess back to chat. Read. I don't think I can do that. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna get back to those characters soon, because there's only 2 characters besides those 2 that I want to add, which is of course Chester and Cat Witch Time Travel. I don't know what's the name of the character. It's a witch that turns into a cat and then can travel in time. Perry for Paradox. All right, we're going with that. That's the name. Let's add some feats. Let's add some feats. So cylinder. I guess like I don't know. GZ like that. I mean, I don't have to think about game dev at all. I can just do whatever here. So just grab that. Grab that. That's gonna be a foot that's coming behind. Extrude this. Oh, this is beautiful. I can just do whatever. Oh, extrude that, and then just grab a bunch of faces and extrude out. Honestly, like who cares? We're chillaxing, yo. Extrude. Oh, that's ew. I don't like it. Scale X. I don't want that all to scale X. I just want this to scale X. Oh. Whatever. That's the foot now. We're just gonna have to live with that. We have to live with the consequences of our actions, which in this case is this foot. Maybe I can like scale this, make it look a little better. I don't know. Oh, I don't like the foot at all. Oh, I hate feet so much. Whatever. It's like in wiener mode right now. GX. Okay. And then we're gonna copy this. We're gonna duplicate. I just finished work, man. You're all good. I am just pranking you. I just wanted to. I know. It's scary, right? Me, the person who can't finish anything, has new characters up and showing on the stream. It's like, oh god, is what was happening before already done? Have we already given up? Okay, how's this? This is something. Let me go in here and then let's set our resolution to something really. Oh my god, it's so massive. No, we're gonna do 128 by 128, and then let's get a camera in here. Add. How you doing, Unity? What do you mean? Oh, it's still installing that. Okay. Camera. And move that. Why is it so small? Can I preview the camera? How do I preview again? Oh, that's right. I can't preview because it uses the numpad to preview it, but I can't do that. Oh no. I guess I just have to render image to test it. Oh, hey, that's actually not too bad. Look at that. I need to fix up some stuff. I need to make it so the skeleton is staying where I want it to be. So can you, skeleton, go into pose mode and stay there. And then we're gonna put that all the way over here and put this over here. Or not, or we can just, or the head can just, oh no. What you mean you're gonna move the head back? Put the head where it was. Ah! Anyway. There, all channels. Also, Godot shader math, let's go. It's not gonna be fun. I've been working on it Okay, I've been working on it all day, but I'm working on it for a bit. And it's not a pleasant maths. It's very contemplative, which is why I'm saving it till the end of stream. That way, everything's gonna be gone, and I can just focus on it without anyone talking to me. Okay, these objects need to have all their keyframes deleted, and then set here. Okay. Okay. And now we can turn. I don't know what are these legs? Are they blue? I had a mutual of mine draw me art for Mimiquick Chester that I can use one day for a Steam capsule or something whenever I make this game, because 100% this game is perfect. I've never fallen out of love with this premise. I'm really happy with Chester and the design of Mimiquick, and so it's going to happen one day, but not today. But the point is that I had to design legs for the character when I helped it, like, give the design. It's for Chester, and, like, I think they were blue. I also hate how this is not beveled. There we go. And then this needs to be beveled. Okay. That feels a bit more like the legs of Chester, the Mimic. Okay, render image. Okay, there we go. It needs to be lower, but we're at a good start. We're at a good place. Let's go a bit lower. Maybe move the camera up a bit. Go a bit lower. Render. How are we looking here? This is not the same camera. This is absolutely not the same camera. Whose camera's being used? Because it ain't mine. Oh, I bet it's this one. Is it this one right here? Render image. Oh, yeah, that makes more sense. All right. I hate that I can't use my shortcuts. Oh, it's so awful. Oh, it's not great. Render? G? I don't know if this is doable without my shortcut. I have to change it to something else. Preferences, navigation, key map. Key binding, 0. Okay, not hide other collections. Numpad 0, almost. Center frame, numpad, view camera. This should be control numpad 0. Or I guess I can't. Oh! I lost it. How do I get that back? Wait, how do I get that back? Preview camera? A camera? Oh, it's view camera. I guess I want mouse 4 button. Okay, that works. That works. And now we can do this. I guess Y, then GX, and we can do some frustum stuff. So camera, where are you? Like, what do we got here? Okay, we only got panoramic, but we can do a big focal length. That's not big enough. Am I in the right category, by the way? Oh my god, I'm in software and game development. No, it should be art. Done. Okay, I was gonna say, because this is absolutely not whatever. I mean, it will be in a later, but right now we're totally arting. Okay, gotta love a character with a nice chest. See, you get it. So, like, I don't feel like my focal length thing made it any more stylish. I don't know. Maybe I need to make it focus more on the head. No. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe something like that. Maybe if I go up a bit more and look down. Like this? Perhaps? Render image? Oh, I really need to add an outline. This character design does not work without a fat grease pencil outline. I'm going to stick everything into modifying, which I think I already have. Don't I? Don't I? I don't. I don't know. What did I just enable? Hide that. Hide that. Oh my god, it's so bad. Well, that's fine. I don't want that anyway. Add. Let's see if I remember how to do this. Grease pencil, stroke, and then it's somewhere in here. Oh, hello, Shrimpy. How you doing? Ahoy! Ahoy indeed. Do you know how to assign my grease pencil outline to an object? Okay, Unity just did a bunch of stuff. Visual Studio installer. All right, continue. This is also ridiculous because I have Visual Studio on my other user, so I shouldn't need to install anything else. That's gonna be a waste of space, but okay. Continue without workloads? I guess you can add the workloads. I didn't mean to hit cancel. Ah! All right. I don't know what that means. Oh my god, hi, Shrimpy. Oh, hey, Shrimpy. Wait, paint's fixed. Let's go. I'm glad to hear you're doing 3D stuff, Tanuki. How? Yeah. What are you making? What are you doing in your weight painting around right now? What you up to? Because I remember you were saying doing something. You're gonna do not weight paints, like the normal paints. But weight paints, what is happening? Why is Windows security? I'm busy trying to ponder how to implement a star on Raylib Go. Fun. I mean, I assume it's the same way you do it. What are you speaking about? I'm speaking about your weight paints. What thing are you doing with weight paints? In Blender? I assume Blender, though I don't really know. I just sucked down some water. I did it for free. Oh my god! Seventh, you're right! How'd the presentation go? Holy shit, I completely forgot! What the fuck? Yeah, how was that? And while you wander about that, I suffer a bit more with freaking wait, I have a stroke here. But like, I don't, where do I, it's definitely something in here that I assign to be the stroke, right? Am I misremembering how this works? I feel like I always misremember stroke, and it's so frustrating. Let me try that again. Add grease pencil. Oh, here it is, line art. Collection line art. And then, see, there's a stroke around the feet, but where is it for everything else? I guess it's line. Okay, line. Oh, there we go. All right, there is. I know how to use Blender. Oh, yeah, that actually doesn't look that bad. Grease pencil. Yeah, it's how you do like drawing and stuff in Blender. But you can also set it to be an outline and then an outline stuff, and then so it looks slightly better. It's growing up. What does that mean? Line art. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Now I gotta add a light, an area light. Point it up. I just want to point it this way and right here, and then we need to make it way bigger. Like, can I make that? Okay, the power. That's not really what I wanted. I wanted to increase the size, but power works too. Okay, now it just looks evil. Like, oh, I love how it's kind of pixely, but it just looks evil right now. I don't know how to fix this. As you can tell, I'm not much. Oh no, I just rendered an animation. Don't do that. This is gonna cause my stream to lag. Okay. Do. Okay, that's pretty fun. And then. I guess we can double it. Doesn't have to be too pixel arty. Render. Oh my god, Shrimpy TV has subscribed! Oh, Shrimpy, yo, thank you for the subscription. Holy cow. I am unworthy. But thank you nevertheless. How's it going? How you doing? Hey, what's up? Can I get you anything? You want like a lemonade? Or a Diet Right? Or a Dr. Pibb? I could probably make those happen. Now that we have sharp edges, these feet bottoms look really bad. Let's bevel them. Because why not? Who cares, right? Like, who cares? Oh my goodness, I deleted my shortcut for the look through. But like, who cares? You know, we're just hanging out. And that's bad. Oh, this foot's actually awful now that I'm looking at it. There's no way to resolve this. Oh, crap. I need to delete all these edges, I think. But then there's still the circle in the back that's going to disrupt everything. Dissolve edges. So I still can't even bevel. Wait. No, we're kind of cooking. We're kind of cooking. Look at that. That made it way worse. That made it so much worse. Oh my god. Ah! Key map. Camera. This needs to be button 5. And then whatever I had for button 4. Mouse 4? Did I lose that? Look at the link I sent when you get the chance or after stream. I shall toggle X-ray. I shall look at it. I'm gonna look at, unless it's really, really fast, I'm probably gonna look at it after stream. But I appreciate it, nevertheless. Okay, that's fixed. And so now we can take this, delete vertices, and cry. Because how am I gonna do any of this if, like, I don't want that. I'm gonna do any foot. So extrude that. Okay, we can do this and we can bevel this. Right? Can I bevel this at least? Apparently not. Well, it should probably be filled, huh? No. Do this. Fill. And then bevel. No, because it has a bunch of duplicates, maybe? No. Oh, why is this so hard? Okay. Okay. It's a short and relevant. Depending on how good the short is, it may change the trajectory of what you're currently doing. All right. Okay, I'll trust you, Izera. I'll trust you just this once, and I shall watch your short. Your shorty short. Oh, hey. Okay. 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 What? Okay, this seems really cool. What? I got lost. What is this step? Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is complicated. This is not a simple short at all. Delete all the stuff. Okay, whoa. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to implement that. That looks really complicated, but I appreciate your input nevertheless. That is a cool way to do an outline. I don't want to put that much effort. Oh no, it looks so hard. I don't know if I can do it. I mean, I could do it if I had more time, but I don't want to let stream go down that path of trying to figure that out. Cause I got bigger fish to fry. Like how Visual Studio is telling me things are done, but I don't believe it. Okay, apparently I can open with this now. Okay, I have read, accept and continue. All right, apparently, but that method can outline from every angle. Well, I only need to outline from the angle that is the camera, so as long as I got that, I'm good. I think. As I spin it. I think the way it works right now is the outline will update the current one. Wait, what mode am I in right now? Can I just choose my cube and go to edit mode? Oh, I am in edit mode. Are you doing like Okami? Look, I'm just trying to add like a simple little outline to make it like a little nice for the render we're doing. There's not anything complicated. There's no like real vision of art or anything. I'm just adding that because it's easy to add. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You slurping up? because I'm slurping up. And then there, vibing it out. Yeah, exactly. This foot is still really small. But if I do this, extrude, then scale X, then it becomes a bigger foot. And then if I do the subdivision surface, I think of this as a fruity, the fruitsy style, because I remember when Fruitsy came in here and told me to do this. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Okay, 2. Ooh, look at that. And then I can go in here and do the technique where I kind of loop cut these. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, and it becomes a flat foot. And I can do a loop cut here to flatten the foot there. Oh! Oh, we're footing! Oh, straight footage happening right now. Okay, okay. And then we put that there. And then we can make it a bit bigger. Oh, I love big feet. Put that right. Well, I mean, that's a bit too big. In fact, it was perfect the way it was. And then duplicate that. Rotate that. G. Rotate a bit more. GY. Oh no. Oh no. GY. What's happening? I'm hitting G to move and hitting Y. Oh, it's GX. I panicked for nothing. Okay, and then camera. What are we seeing here? That's okay. I don't really see the momentum happening unless I bring it back down to 128 by 128. And then it's still just as bad. The slurp incident. That should be kind of nice. I love big feet. Okay, yeah, I said what I said. I am happy to announce Paradox has been opened, but I'm gonna finish this first. I don't know. I need like a better perspective shot. I don't think I can achieve that. Like focal length, millimeters, field of view. Wait, why is the field of view so tiny? Whoa, 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 wait, whoa. That is the opposite of what I wanted. No wonder it didn't look the way I thought it should. It was completely wrong. Can I preview? What is my preview button? This? See, yeah, this is what I wanted. GY. Whoa, whoa. GX. And see, this communicates speed. There we are. That takes advantage of the 3D and what you call it? The 3D world. Can I go up a little? Maybe I gotta go back a tiny bit. And then this foot needs to rotate a bit. Oh goodness. Zoom it, that's what I'm saying. This needs to come up. Okay, you need to come up like this. Maybe this, oh no, maybe I need to like just curve this whole thing back in the opposite direction. Can I like snap it back? I can't, can I? That looks wrong. But I can rotate this back. In fact, I can move this up and around like this. And then this can come down. I mean, like all of this. And I can delete some of these. Like I can get rid of, no. You gotta go. And then, oh, that's not what I wanted. I want to dissolve edges. Dissolve edges. Dissolve edges. There we are. And now we can get what I'm looking for, which is something like this. I mean, I think, right? Okay, I need to rotate this. It looks so silly. But how's that in terms of... I just, it needs to have the knee forward. Right? Like, this needs to definitely be that, and then this needs to be like that, maybe. And then you need to go like that. Okay, and then this whole thing needs to come down a tiny bit. But if it comes down a tiny bit, then I can't do it as well. And then it just goes back to what I had before. It's not really what I'm going for. Render image. Well, that's kind of nice. And then I need the back foot to appear. Can I do that? Can you rotate this way and then maybe that will help? Maybe? I think the camera needs to also come to the side a bit more. Well, then it's not going to... I don't know. Like that. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. How's that? That's something. That shows off the character a bit. Can I make these hands not be as horrible? Perhaps. I think they have an IK or something or another. Oh, they're definitely IK, and I don't like it. I don't need IKs right now. Get rid of them. Right, there you are. Yeah, that's right. Get out of there. Get out of there. We're just gonna do it old-fashioned style. I hate old-fashioned style already. This is the worst. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Oh no, it looks awful. It looks like ass. What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Tuesday morning? Okay, maybe we could just G this back and then... Well, what I should do is have this come out more of the shoulders. Can I not G you? No, let me G you. I'm gonna G you up here. And rotate you. Yeah, how's that? And then same thing over here. You're getting G'd. Okay, I can't do it for that one. You're getting G'd. And then rotate it as well. Boom. There we are. Okay. All right. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so bad. It looks so awful. No, don't render an animation, please. Render image. The hands are not on the chest because the animation went backwards. Oh my fuck. All channels, which is what I did before. I don't know why it's not committing now. Yes, commit all that. Okay, everything went back to normal, unfortunately. So are you doing the dead cells thing and rendering all these to sprites? I am participating in Art Fight. And Art Fight requires a 2D renders of my characters. And so right now I'm going through a bunch of characters I've made in the past and I'm trying to render them so they are as PNGs and I can then upload to Art Fight. Yes. I mean, I guess it's kind of like that in what you call it. I guess. Oh, what the hell is this? Well, I need to commit these frames. Okay. Select all, commit. So now when I render, yes, the hands are down. Okay. The legs are so silly and also supposed to be not this color. All right. But yes, soon I will be art fighting like all the cool artists that I am not. Can we just make this blue? We're just gonna make it blue. There, that's great. I like it. It's blue and red. It's fun. Dare I increase the resolution? Render image. I hate the outlines like on the arm joints. Those shouldn't be there. I just wish the arms existed as not separate objects. Can I? Think I should do that? I think I should just add the arms. But the let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Let's do it. Let's totally do it. I'm totally gonna do it. What a waste of time, but I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna do that. Edit, loop tool, circle. Arm. Yeah, there we go. Okay. G, rotate. These should probably be a bit bigger. Oh, gotta be careful here. I'm on see-through mode. And then scale. That's too much scaling. I need to scale everything but X. You got the honk. You got the triangle head. That's a pretty good head. It's probably one of the best heads you can get. We're gonna bring this all the way. I need to make sphere hands. Don't make me make sphere hands. But don't make me make your hands. I don't want to do anything. I want to go home. Can I go home yet? Is everyone gone? I guess I can move this out and give this like a thumb here. Give me the knife tool. I don't even care anymore. You go back. You come out. I'm bringing a knife to my masterpiece. Okay, W. And then extrude. Yes. Yes. And then onto you, Skeletor. I'm going to edit you. I'm going to... Oh, hey, there's already like a skeleton here. If I just rebound this, it'd probably work. Like if I just reparent with automatic weights. Oh! Oh! Oh no! What happened? It's a kind of like a creepy thing now. It's a monstrosity! Oh my god, it's fucking creepy! What if I just post this? Is that good enough? Maybe. Okay, ship it. Oh, I'm gonna save this as an image, but I'm not shipping it. I'm gonna call it chesterfucked.png. Okay. Alright, this is fine. This is fine. I have a better idea. I have a much better idea. I just dropped my scalding slice of pizza sauce side down my foot. No! 7th! Ew! I hate that. Why would you let that happen to you? How could you let that happen to you? Why? Is it my fault? Is that what you're implying? That the shock of the creepy milk cook? Hello? Oh my freaking freak! Whitechapel coming in here, putting themselves in my credits. What's not even the credits? Wait, it's a drink water. It didn't even occur to me that anyone would do anything other than the credits one again. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, fine. I got nothing else to say. What do you mean? Oh, you probably did the credits thing already, didn't you? All right, in that case. Here, okay. Do you hear it? This is my water bottle. I saw the credits, but like, there's water. All right, here's. I'm taking a big glug. All right. Did you hear that glug? I put it so close to the mic. That's what I know. Fanny Chapel, why? Why? Hot. I'm so glad you're enjoying your points being consumed. Oh. Okay. Why are you T-posing on the haters? Why are you T-posing on the haters? Mimic quick. Why can't things be easy? What I don't get is like, why is there other influence? Like the bones are lined up with the body. Why could I not parent to them? I don't understand. This became so much more harder than it needed to be. And I can't even loop cut here because I did some fuckery right here. Okay, what if I triangulate? Okay, and then quadify these two. That would make it a loop, right? So then you can, no, I can't. I still have to do this over here. Okay, but I do all that. And now this is a loop, except I'm playing an animation. Except it's not. Okay. Merge at last, merge at last. I can't merge that one at last, but can I make it a loop? No, why isn't this part of the loop? Can I loop cut? Oh, I can loop cut. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna rotate it. Oh, crap. Okay, we're gonna rotate it. Little by little. This is like Blender Noob 101 style. We're just not gonna use bones. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna grab it like that and go down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. And then if I go back to the pose, it's... oh. Oh, no. I'm starting to care less and less. I'm starting to... I'm about to ship it just like that. Okay. Rotate it a bit more. And then rotate it a bit more. Just like a bit more. Yeah. How's that look? Oh, wait. Let's grab this. And then rotate this a bit more. Our boy! Oh! Oh, they're a little funny. Okay, well, just show me what it looks like. What does it look like? All I wanted to do was make it so that these arms didn't have an outline there. I probably could just manually edited that. Oh, but now I've given him 4 arms. What a creature. Where are these OG arms even coming from? That's what I want to know. Skeleton? Oh, here it is, arms. Okay, remove that from rendering. And then we get this. We get this. I hate it. I hate it, everyone. Please make it stop. Oh, no. Oh, no. Can you do a Blender 101 I need for a job and not become homeless? I don't know if I am qualified. I'm going to hold Control Z till this is fixed. Remember when I said I was going to waste time with this? I can't believe I did that. I made new arms. How silly of me to think that armature would actually work. Okay. Okay, arms, you're back. You're rehired because of what I've just gone through. And then this is a cool shot. We're going to add this shot. I'm going to save this. Let me open a sprite. Armature. Anyway, save as. We call this Chester 1 because we're gonna have multiple renders on this, so it makes sense. Chester 1. Oh, it's not even transparent. I forgot to turn on transparent mode. Transparent. Here we are. Transparent. Okay, render image. Image, save as. Chester 1. Okay. Oh, I hear a notification happening, but I can't look at the moment. All right, what'd y'all do? Oh! Okay, yeah, Zed, you can have that. I'm happy to fulfill that over the water one. GitHub projects said you could have done water. I know, imagine! Get scammed! Okay, credits. Oh my goodness. Neither Fanny nor Whitechapel are here. What y'all? Okay. This is crazy. Okay. All right. Yeah, you feel left out now, huh? Worth every point. Insane. Why am I hearing myself? Somehow I turned on my stream volume by accident. Okay. Okay. Boom, here's... Okay, this is gonna have to be way smaller. Okay, we're gonna put him here. And then we're gonna make this a bit smaller, because we just need this space. And then we're gonna add a bit of a shadow, because why not? That'll just be a little free oval. Easy, right? Easy, famous last words, I say. Okay, yeah. Like, can I do this and then rotate it maybe so it matches up? We'll also need to have like perspective with the ground, I think, so I need it to skew a bit better. Like, what if it was, I don't know, like this maybe? I don't know. This needs to be like transparent anyway. Okay, whatever. Like that. Okay. There. Thanks, Pookie. You're welcome. You're welcome, Zed. What I wanted to do is have it so that that thing increases in price every time someone does it. But I've gotten lazy. I should probably do that. It's not like people redeem it that much, you know? So it's like, hey. What I really... Okay, you... Get rid of you. Get rid of you. And we just gotta blur it a little. And wouldn't that make this so much easier if I just blur this right here? Look! I didn't have to go through any of that. I just had to... Okay, maybe just a bit more. I just had to do that. And now it looks good. Fixed. Okay, I mean, this can use a bit of work, but fixed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, and this outline's a little wrong, but you know what? I can just go like this. Who cares? Who cares? I can clearly tell it's just drawn on. Who cares? Like that, and then you know maybe add like a transparent version alongside that to give the anti-aliasing effect. Yeah, and then give it an even more transparent version on top of that. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah! There we go. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's so cool. Yeah, thank you! All right. Since the whole gang's here and it's ready, let's go look at Paradox. This is my big 2022 game project that I stopped working on. It's called Paradox. You play as this cat. I'm gonna hit the play button, see what happens. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Oh my god, it works! Okay, I'm gonna push any button. Okay, this is the title screen. I don't know if it transitions from the title screen to the game, but I'm gonna click adventure. There's like a save file system that doesn't do anything. Start game. Okay, there we go. Oh, and here's the game. Okay, can I full screen this? Display the game. I don't know how to use Unity. This is the first and last game I ever worked on in Unity. Scale. Y'all, can someone help me here? Maximize? Okay, that's fine. That works. Okay, so here's Paradox. The whole game was mostly you as a cat like this. Woo! And then, eventually I was like, yeah, fuck it, let's make it the cat transform into a human. Because it let you do some puzzly stuff with the time travel mechanics. Time travel mechanics, you say? Well, let me show you. I don't know where the best place to show you the time travel is. Look at all these lighting effects. Isn't it cool? 2D is so much easier than 3D. But anyway, in this game, I can like step on this button to move that platform and then step off it. And like, oh, cool, the platform moved. But now I can freeze time and then hold the left arrow key to move backwards in time. And you may notice two things. Number one, the platform moves back and forth in time. But also, a clone of me is created whenever I go back in time. And that's a clone of me that existed when I was doing the actions back in that point. So the clone of me steps on the button that pulls the platform down. So there you go. And then what's cool is you can do it with the human form. And then, like, you'll have both a human form and like a... Oh! So if you touch one of your, like, time clones, it causes a paradox, hence the name Paradox. Yeah. It amazes me how cool shit you make and not release. Yeah. I mean, this is all it is, though. It's just this one little level, and that's it. It's not like there's much substance to it. And then also the title screen, yeah. And then the character select. Yeah, this is what I talk about when I do, like... I do premises, I do mechanics, but I'm not really good at level design. Because what was next was level design, and I couldn't bring myself to find a way to do it. But anyway, the point I'm trying to make is that, boom, this is a character. This is a character I made. That has a cat in the human form. So I should probably add this to my art fight. And I already decided her name is Perry. Perry. I'm so tired of you making amazing games acting like there's nothing. This is a lot of substance. You also made a cat game, yeah. And I gotta say, our cats are kind of similar too, right? Yeah, it was destiny. That I would eventually meet someone to finish my kitty Perry, finish my cat vision for me. just in a different form in Unreal Engine. Okay, so here's how you solve this. You do that, and then you go back in time, then you go back in time here, and then you go back in time so you're on the platform, so when it hits, you can like jump up here when it does that, and then you can go down here, and then, yeah. And then, like I was saying, there's something, you can like do stuff where you're a cat, but also a human. The human was supposed to be able to like, carry boxes or stuff. Like, I had this vision where you could carry a box as a human, and the cat form can stand on the box, so you don't cause the paradox, but still interact with each other. The end. Okay. Anyway, now that I've shown this off, let's add this character to my things, because I don't need to do much work here. Finish it now! I don't want. I got 3D games to make. 2D is spooky. How'd you get the time clone? I mean, I don't know how to answer. I mean, so okay, you know, I do know how to answer that. I do know how to answer that. The answer is, at all moments, I'm recording the position and the animation state of the cat for the past 12 seconds, and then I just replay that for the time clone. This time clone's gonna kill me because I have nowhere to run. Oh, we're weaving! Don't kill me! Okay. I mean, anyway, you go back in time and then, and you do stuff. I don't know. The issue is I couldn't think of any other puzzles besides the freaking thing. So that like this example right here where you step on a button temporarily. How many can you create? That's also a good question. I think infinite, but I'm not maximized. I'm not sure. Let me try. So how would I do that? I think I need to like create one here a couple seconds back, and then oh, I perished. I'm sorry. Okay. I create one a couple seconds behind me. It's gonna go away, but then I create another one a couple seconds behind me, and then I create another one a couple seconds behind me. And then I can create another. Oh, see, like the cooldown's going longer and longer each time. And then, okay, now I should be able to create another one all the way back here. Okay, so that's 5. Oh, look how slow it goes. Yo, I thought about this. Like, you literally can't make too many because, oh, it's gonna kill me if I stop there. Because like you can't go far back enough in time because the cooldown gets slower and slower the more time clones exist. Oh. So you can't clone yourself of yourself. Yeah, something like that. Well, the idea is that like if you exist at second 0, like the version of this cat that it's like causality or something, right? Where if this cat pushes a button down at this time, something needs to be pushing that button down at that period in time. And then if I have a cat, you know, it's interacting with something else over here, that still needs to exist, right? I think. But you see how like it creates the clone? I don't know. It's been how many years now? 4? This was 2022. If you're interested in this game, what you should do is you should go to my Twitter, and while I was working on this game, I posted about its development process every day, like for 2 months, for the 2 months I worked on it. So, yeah. You finish it. It's just... Okay, I know I keep blaming 2D. 2D is not what the issue is. The issue is... It's in fucking Unity. I don't want to use Unity. I don't want to use Unity. I hate Unity. Make it in Godot. Yeah, but I have to make it over. And then I'm not finishing the project then. I'm making a new project. So I can't really have this excuse that, oh, I might as well finish it because there's nothing to finish. So think about that. Up with bubbles, down with air. Are bubbles and air not the same thing? Well, technically, you're not making a new project. Well, I suppose I could reuse a lot of the things. Yeah. I don't know. I could use a lot of the visual assets, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, fine. Here's what I'll do. When I finish my current game project, and then I finish Mimiquick, next will be Paradox. How's that sound? Cool. I will say, though, Paradox... if I'm remaking it anyway in a new engine, it's becoming 3D. And there's nothing anyone can do anything about that. I'm sorry to say. It just has to be. It just must be. Maybe I can keep the pixel art, though. You know, do it Tanuki style pixel art in 3D. That might work. Who knows? Anywho. But you're 3D. Now you're stealing my game. Do you time travel in your game? I didn't think so. What if you make a clone of yourself and finish the game in the past? God, I wish. The worst part is I haven't made any games since then. So like all that time doing a different project anyway, it's all wasted. I could have just finished Paradox. I could have just finished Mimiquick. And now here we reside with no finished games. Guess who back? We can collab with using what I learned. Oh! I'm gonna be down for that. I may be down for that. Yeah. Gotta dip out for some time. Good luck with deving, sir. Bye. 67676767676767. Guess who's back? Oh, I was looking for this. Mio Jonida, the official. Welcome back, Mio. How's it going? How you doing? I just finished this render of my. I'm literally getting to work right now. Okay, so I just did the hardest pose. So now I can do all the easy stuff, which is just pictures of the chest reference, and then pictures of Chester outside the chest. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go. Ugh, do I delete everything? Poll, do I just delete everything? The answer is maybe. Chester simple, because I don't wanna be complicated. The POV characters, poorly written characters be like, all right. Rotate that. And then, okay. Click on this camera. You're so chalant. Now, I'm just deleting. I do not care. I don't think I'm very nonchalant. Which one does which mean? Define chalant. A slang term used as a playful opposite of nonchalant. Thank you, Google. Thank you. In dating, you may see it used in dating or relationship discussions to describe someone who freely expresses their affection rather than playing it cool. Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. I guess that's fair. I'd be very chalant. Look at the smiley face on the chest. Anywho, can we get rid of all of this? Get rid of all the rotations, get all the transformations. We just need a forward-facing, simple picture of this chest. Straight boobies. Okay. Rotate this. Then G. Rotate that. And then there we go. And then maybe move the camera up. Barb, see you. Like that. And then I guess render it. Oh no, now the light. Oh my god, I hate the lighting. I hate that lighting has to exist. Why can't everything just be ambient lighting? I don't know. And it's like, okay. Render mode. I need you to do that. And then do that. And there we go. Okay, there's a chest. Oh, render image, save as chest 1. And then I guess you can just rotate the chest. That'll make things a bit easier. Like that, and then move it over. And then move this down and up. Move this down. There we go. And then, again, render chest 2. Okay. And I guess we gotta do the back. Like that. Do. No, this needs to be on X. This needs to be on Y. Render image. Save as. Okay. If you act nonchalant, then you are really chalant. If you act chalant, it's because you really don't give a fuck. So then you are real nonchalant. Exactly! I'm actually chill as fuck. Ah! Sorry, that was supposed to be like a more of a crazy scream as a joke, but I couldn't commit to it. That was really cringe. Don't respond to what just happened. I know. I want to redo my scream. Here we go. Let's try that again. Let's try that bit again. Yeah, I'm really nonchalant. Ah! How is that? I still think I didn't commit to the scream enough. Right? Like, the scream has to be like deep and like inside the mic. Like, remix. Wait. Did I do all the 6 7s? I did. Okay. A real scream needs to be like, I don't know. I can't do it now. Now that everyone's watching, it's how do I mean, scream at all? It's like, I really need that emotional power of something happening to really channel it. Chalant for real. I hate it here. I didn't twist them both around. Okay. No, what? Huh? Why? What? What happened to my slime? Oh, I deleted it. Why did I delete the whole slime? That was kind of irresponsible of me. Why did I do that? Okay, whatever. Save. I'm gonna render this and save this image. Image, save as chest 4. Open Chester. Okay. Now you I'm gonna do chest. Whoa! So don't make me 6 7, please. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. It hurts. I can't do it. Okay. Oh, I got the light in there. No. We need to rotate this. That's Blender. This is Blender. Yes. Do you like it? It's my. Oh, don't move your head. Why is your head there? This is Blender. Yes. It's the only 3D software I know how to use, and boy, do I use it. Can I do something where like I make the body like just mush? Like, can I scale this? And then rotate it a bit back, and then rotate this a bit back, rotate this a bit back, rotate this a bit back. And then maybe like squish it all a bit more. Like, why is this rotating this? I don't want that to do that. I just want to squish. And then head, you're gonna come in here. Well, first of all, go back to pose mode and apply all those bones. And then an object. This will like have it peek out. Like this. And then light should be good. The arms, I'm gonna have to delete those. Okay, how's that? What is that gonna look like? It looks like fucking this. It looks like this. The head is not staying where it should be. Of course it isn't. Place. Okay, render. There we go. I don't know. I can't use Block Bunch or Blender. I mean, yeah, Blockbench is honestly not that easy. I've tried using Blockbench. It is very difficult. It's like Blender, but worse. Because you still have to do, like, vertex manipulation and edge manipulations, I think. And, like, stuff like that if you're doing anything other than, you know, blocks. And so it's, like, deceptively difficult. And I feel like I just found it wasn't worth my time to try and learn that as an easier alternative to Blender. Because just learning Blender ended up being easier because all the concepts are the same, but Blender has like a way better interface or something. So like I don't know. Okay. I'd recommend giving Blender another try though. Oh wait, what did you say? I'm thinking about my own 3D manipulator. I had that same thought too though, so I kind of relate to that. But I mean, it is what it is. You could probably make one that's pretty good. It's way more difficult than you think. Because you're gonna have to learn how 3D models work from that I'm like rotated weird. There we go. Welcome back! Oh hey, sorry, I was talking about I was responding to you without realizing you were in ads. But yeah. You should try and make one. I mean, the worst case scenario for making your own 3D manipulator, your own 3D editor would be that you know, you'll just learn a bit more about 3D. And that'll help you more with Blender. Because I didn't really understand Blender all that much till I really understood how 3D works. Right? So, I don't know. Yeah. Anywho, let's add more images to this. Where the hell did that image go? Why did this not save as? Image? Did I just not save as it because I'm dumb? No, I did save as it. Where is Chester hiding? Overwrite. Where? Oh, here it is. Okay, that was weird that didn't happen. Chester. Shape-shifting cloud, dang, 3D art for art fight. I mean, it's all I can do. It's all I know how to do. I'm trying my best. It's all I can. But I hope that someone who's like a 2D artist may be able to appreciate me making like a low poly model or something. So yeah. Anyway, how's it going? Thank you for the first time chat. Shape-shifting cloud. How you doing today? Oh no, thank you, yeah. But yeah, this is like an old character I made in 2023 for a game I was working on. That's right, I'm just trying to like, this model already existed, but I'm trying to like render out some of the, oh god, no, don't do that. Render out a bunch of different positions. Not positions, but like poses. So I have something in 2D to contribute to my character. Okay, delete that. Grab this again. And then you're going back here, but like smaller. Like that. Yeah, there we go. All they can really do yet is a few movements as shown, and all. Wait. All they can do yet a few moments. Okay, first of all, 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. All they can do yet a few moments showed an awesome 2D time travel cat game. Yes, I am bringing over my OC from a time traveling cat game. That would have hit the market so well if I released it in 2022. Back then, cat games are so big. Alas, it's too late now. We'll never know. We'll never know. Oh, hey, Gerudo Valley, my favorite. Agree. Okay, I agreed. And then put this here. Oh no, this is like not gonna fit. Do-do-do-do, 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 do-do-do, do-do-do-do, 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 do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do. Hey, look at that! I think that's pretty good spacing. I mean, let me grab you and then. Oh, I messed up. Let me grab you, and then... No, I messed up. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, thank you for the follow! Nonsense! Cat is forever! Yeah... I'll add a cat to my current game, y'all. Don't worry. Oh! Oh! Sorry. That, I overlapped a little, so now it's gonna be impossible to move these as separate things because they're on the same layer. Please! Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Wait, that's the wrong thing to move, though. I need to move this middle chest thing. What I should do, probably... Oh, come on. I hate 2D art. I hate selecting things. There we go. I'm just kidding. I love 2D art. I exaggerate for the funnies. Okay, there we go. How's that? That's pretty decent. I know that once I do this, I'm not going to change it ever, so I have to make sure it's good. I like this middle part. Whoever you are, okay, you just need to be like front and center. In fact, let's probably delete you and then re-scale you down from the original. Oh, that is the original. That's as tall as it goes. Okay, well. There you are. Show that game. Fine, I'll show it. If shape-shifting cloud asks me to re-show Paradox one more time, I will show it. Well, I guess since okay, here we go. At least I can have that like foot thing back. I feel like I should make this stuff up here smaller. Let me just, because I don't want it to be the focal point. Like, put that here. And then I would love to see Paradox. Oh no, you're still here. Okay, well, I guess I have no choice then. Did I close? Oh, I closed Unity. Oh, why? Why past me would you do me like this? Okay. Oh, it's pronounced Paradox, P-U-R-R-A-D-O-X. I gotta say the logo's kind of hype with the U going into the P, and the cat stands on it. So that was pretty cool. Anyway, what if I just have it so the cat just walks around and that's the whole game and I don't say anything else? Look, it's just a cat. It's just a game where you play as a cat. You just jump around. Hooray! Simple. There's a moving platform here. There's some nice lighting. I didn't make the lighting. There's some add-on I added. Yeah. And then so cute. And then you step on this button and it moves that platform and you can't get up. Oh, you can get up. Wait, you're not supposed to be able to get up on this. Paradox. Okay, hold on. You're not supposed to be able to... Okay, imagine you couldn't get up on this thing. You'd be like, oh, how do I use this platform? You have to go over here and go backwards in time to when you were standing on the platform button so you can jump over this and then jump on the platform and then go backwards in time again to step on the button to move yourself over. And that's Paradox's time controlling cat. It's 2.5D. It's actually just 2D. But I have a really cool parallax effect. But I'm glad you noticed. I really wanted to do a 3D environment, but I got lazy. And so I did a 2D environment instead with parallax, and it came out pretty good. I know. It's pretty nice, right? It's 4D. I mean, it's 3D because you have 2D and then time. So you know what? It is still a 3D game because you have the x-axis, the y-axis, and the time axis. So oh, I'm gonna die if I release. If you touch your time clone, it causes a paradox, and so that was a paradox. Anyway, we're getting distracted, y'all. I get to submit my first thing, which is this. I feel like this is weird how there's like no outline around. Whatever. We're not gonna worry about it. Let me first save this as a thing. Games. What am I looking for? No, not games. My character's Chester. Okay, I'm gonna call it Chester.asprite and export the PNG. And then where's my art fight page? Oh, here it is. Okay, so let's submit. So if I choose main image, oh my goodness, please just open the same thing. Please, I'm begging. Okay, social media, art fight, this. Okay, I've chosen a file. Name, Chester. I gotta write a whole description. I don't know what to write here. Chester is... Oh, heads up, the website might be a bit laggy. Oh. Okay. I will keep that in mind, but I think it should be okay. I mean, all I gotta do is hit a button, right? What's the worst that can happen? I got this far. Chester is a... What even is Chester? I think Chester, the story was like... Chester's in love with an adventurer and is like trying to chase the adventurer through like the fantasy world, and that's why it's like a speedster based platformer, because you gotta like catch up to them in time before they escape. Something like that. That's kind of like a monster. Chester is a mimic in love with an adventurer. Growing. He gained legs to achieve his love. You are neurodivergent. That's a crazy message, Mio. I don't know. I've never been diagnosed with anything, so I guess no. Oh. Anywho. Yes. In order to chase down said adventurer, he became the fastest mimic in the whole world. Real? It'd be this way. His I don't fucking know what his chest has a smile on it to show he is friendly, but none of the humans read it this way. Mimics are a terrifying monster species. That should be good, right? Something like that. This is really hard because I didn't make any game, especially not any story. None at all. Okay, well, permissions. I don't think I have any specific permissions. Maybe it's just authenticity. LGBTQ and neurodivergent tend to be more authentic. I just can't help it. I am who I am. Which is, but how do you really know, right? How do you know this all isn't just a facade? You don't know me. You know, it's like parasocialism or whatever with people online. And, you know, I could be completely different. Something. There's a lesson here. I don't know. Vibes. It's good. Plus, you can always edit later. Vibes. It's for real. Fake. It's true. This is all just a persona Steventh. This isn't the real me. Only people who have met me in real life know the real me. You can agree, right, Tanuki? I am very different IRL. External link name, you would be awesome creative director. Thank you. Though I don't know if I'd be much of a creative director. I think my best skills are still in the more technical stuff. But I do have a bit of creativeness I like to flex my muscles for. I mean, I better run a while. It wouldn't be shocking to hear you get diagnosed. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, I didn't mean to imply there would or wouldn't be. I just, you know, nothing's ever impacted my life enough for me to have to seek out a diagnosis or like receive treatment. I say, as I've never finished any game project ever. and I'm constantly switching things and can never focus. But yeah. Furry eel. Where did this come from? Did I say that? Oh, was that me saying for real? I may have said furry eel. Sometimes I over-enunciate things for the drama. I did design this character. Link a species sheet. I don't have that. There's the image. I have to make a thumbnail. Do I really have to? Okay, it has crop it from the main. I created the image. Doesn't need a content filter. Tags. Can I get some example tags, or am I just gonna start? Am I just going crazy? Okay, monster. Oh, here it is, monster. Okay. Oh, this is where lag's gonna come in. I guess like fantasy. Is that gonna pop up? Here it is, fantasy. Okay, that makes sense. Now let's see if it has mimic. It'd be cool if there was a mimic tag. All right, there we go. Though I guess, are these even really suggested tags, or are these just autocomplete from a just a word database? And DAC, assign neurodivergent at chats. Should I start putting that in my bio? Hey y'all, yeah, I'm the world's greatest and DAC game dev streamer. Welcome back to another stream. How you doing? How's it going? How's it being? How's it beaning? I don't know any other tags. I don't know. A game? Like, I guess. Oh, gas mat. Okay, I guess game isn't a oh, here it is. Okay, maybe the site is a bit laggy. Monster Fantasy Mimic game. Yeah, I don't know what to add there. Low poly. You're right. You're so fucking right. Shapeshifting cloud. It's 3D. I'm just gonna add 3D as a tag. Add tag? Is that not allowed? Or am I lagging? I might be lagging. 3D. Okay, how about you're right. Low poly. No. How could this happen to me? I was so sure the lag wouldn't affect me. I was like, I'm just gonna push the submit button. How could there be lag? But no, the tags. The tags is where they got us. Ice cream for ice cream. Well, I can add these later, right? Imagine who's still putting their characters up on day one. Shouldn't you all have done this forever ago? Imagine being so... Who's out here driving on these streets when I'm trying to drive? Same vibes. It's like it was auto-completing a second ago. Well, I'm submitting character. I like your... I know it's the face looking down, but all I could see was like... Never mind. Never mind. Submit! Please submit! It's gonna take a while, isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. Oh. It's not going to submit, is it? Of course not. Why would it do such a thing? Why would it do something so easy? All right, well, here we are. I guess we gotta do something else now. Well, let me save this. Okay, close you. Give it like 10 minutes. Okay, we have 10 minutes. This is gonna be a long stream. Who's texting me? Ooh, okay. Oh no! This is what I got. This is we aren't wasting 10 minutes. Server crashes and the world explodes. Okay, so it's not just me. All right, nice. Yeah. Hope I didn't lose all my text that I wrote. That would be kind of annoying. I probably should have copy pasted it, huh? Oh, it's all gonna be gone, isn't it? It's all gonna be gone. Oh, y'all, no! No! Oh, wait, I can go back in time with my stream and read what I wrote. Okay, it's not completely lost. So bad news. Okay, what's the bad news? Shape-shifting cloud. What's happening? So bad news, Art Fight is canceled. I broke Art Fight, Axel. Like it's all my fault. It probably got... Artfight.net down. Oh, here it is. Artfight status. Oh, the status page won't open. It's okay. I have a separate website. Is artfight.net down? Checking service. It's not just you. Artfight.net is down. Well, I killed it. I destroyed it. Wait, I got the status page up. All right. 6767676767676767. Oh hey. Oh hey. Hey. Shapeshifting cloud, guess what? Guess what? You were correct. It is all gone. Oh, okay, let's try again. Chester. Upload image. What else? Tags, we don't need those. We don't need any of this. Designed it, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Submit character. You call us an image. Welcome to our pain. Make it stop. It's not fair. It's not fair. Well then. I told you the website would be slow. No, it's not just slow, it's dysfunctional. This is different. Okay. Well, I have Chester done. So let's move on to someone else. Let's move on to who do I got next? We gotta do zombie next, right? Zombie.blend. Oh, I moved zombie.blend, so we gotta find it. Kiss Robo, Godot, visual assets, Blender models, players, zombie. Okay. All right. Okay, so this character's a bit better. This actually looks like a real character with a bit of ambient occlusion. I wanted to do some vertex painting before I went further, but I think this should be fine. Am I bonita now? You are very bonita. Pat. Or what does Chris say? Hey, sir, in 36 minutes exactly, remind me to remember. Axel, I promise you, I will not remember to do that. Do you? Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what the quote is. Do you feel bonita? Fuck, I fucked up the quote. No, I'm just a fake fan. I'm a fake Family Guy. I can't believe this. The cat is a real character. Maybe Bluehead was better. Don't say that. It's too late. No, I have the Bluehead. Yeah, we're good. The Bluehead exists. Okay, we're fine. Third fake fan always confirmed as true. It's true. I'm the fakest of fans. I just wanted to feel special, but the truth is, I was already special. And that was not what defined my specialness. It was my to-be-diagnosed diagnoses. LARPer! It's true. I LARP everything. I told you I was fake. I told you it was all fake. What the hell am I gonna do? Whoa! How long has this been a thing? What the hell? Okay. Boo, 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 boo. Let's go to weight paint. I get to do some weight paint today. And then click on, what is that? That's base? Weights? How do I set the weight amount? Isn't there supposed to be a thing here that lets me set the weight amount? Am I crazy? Yo, there's supposed to be like a thing here that lets me set from 0 to 1 how much weight I'm setting. Right? Someone tell me I'm not. Wait, tool settings? Oh, there it is. Guys, I was under tool settings. Object weight. Oh. No, I got it though. Thank you. Are you going to write "sird" on their foot like Woody? As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna do that. I don't know, maybe. I have to like go into texturing though, and I don't want to texture. Don't make me texture. I'll add the "sird" under the foot as a separate object in Godot. How's that? You know what they really need in Artfight is like a 3D model viewer, so I don't have to do this. Okay, I have base selected. Weight Set weight. Okay, so I set the weight to 0 for everything. So that base bone has no effect. And now I can go back to object mode. And now everything is good. Wii Music are copyright free? No. I just don't care. Well, typically Nintendo stuff is not at risk for being copy struck, usually. So it's pretty safe. I think you can upload GIFs. Oh, don't say that! Oh! You telling me I can animate my stuff too? Oh god, GIFs are really heavy. Okay, let's try doing a GIF. I'm sorry, a GIF. Oh no, I said GIF. I'm a fake GIF flarper. Okay. Alright, let's create a new save as. I'm gonna save this as into my thing. GitHub, social, no, not that. Social media, art fight, my characters, new bookmark. Wait, what's this character named? Oh crap, what's this character named? Should I do something artsy and gamey and just have the protagonist have no name and just call them the zombie? I could do that. You think I won't do that? The zombie. Yeah. Tack. No, it's all you can't name it Tack. There's already a 3D platformer with a Tack character, I think. Tack game. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what? Tack? In Tack, players aim to connect two opposite edges of the board with pieces called stones. Okay, there is a Tack game, but it's not what I thought. It's like chess if it was bad. Oh wait, yeah, you definitely can because I tagged someone with an animation and uploaded the GIF. Oh, this website is something with tears and paste. Oh, let me see how my thing's doing right. Oh no, my upload. Ah, well. Oh. Okay, well, I tried. I guess we can't upload these. Tack and the Power of Juju. I was trying. Oh. It'd be this way. You can't call it that. It's because it's already taken. But yes, thank you. That was me. I was doing an impersonation of me. Anyway, 600. Okay, let's reset pose. Clear trans. Here's the other thing: is the head isn't attached to the body. It's attached via Godot. But I don't have the. I don't have the ability to attach it, or do I? The website ain't working for me. It's just unfair. It's because I started streaming. You know, it's been working all day. Whenever I'd go to check on it to like figure things out in preparation for doing this, it always worked. But they saw I was streaming, and they're like, nuh-uh, you can't do that. Because of the first day. Yeah. Look, I can spin forever. At least that came in handy right here, right now. Okay, interpolation mode, linear. So this works. We have to do another ritual to get up and go. I don't know the ritual. No one sent me the details. How do you do that? Where are the shader maths? I'll do shader maths after this character. Because if Art Fight isn't even up, then I'm not even gonna bother. I'm seeing loading. I'm scared. So all these need to parent to the head. Keep transform. So we can do some math, if you would so like. The 7th. How do I attach this to the thing? Oh, I know how to do it. I click this. Well, I first click on this, go to edit mode, click on that, then click on this, and then click on this, and hit parent to bone. And now the head should be all. Yeah! Oh my god, I know things! I literally know things. Okay. Guys, what merch should I take to Supernova if I can sell things? I'm bringing more art prints. That's a good question. Oh crap, I don't know. Whenever I thought about selling stuff at a con with a game, I always think I'd sell my game as a physical copy. But you can't do that because your game's not finished yet. And so I guess you need to, like, I don't know, smut Magic and smut. What else do you need? You could, though, honestly, you could, like, write something and sell a small book. Sell a zine, maybe. I don't know. I guess prints are a pretty good thing to do. I personally really like keychains, but I like the keychains that are like the nice and fancy metal ones, or ones that are hard to do. Like, not like the ones that are just plastic. No one can even hear me. It's ad time right now. But, so I'll wait till ads are done. And then I'll say keychains again. Pins. I don't like pins. I can't put a pin on my, I can't put a pin anywhere. Where the hell am I gonna put a pin? I'm not gonna put it on my shirt. I don't want to put it on like a little pin board that I'm not taking anywhere. I want to have something where I can put on my keychain that I do take everywhere. Backpack? Okay, that's kind of valid. That's so valid. But I don't have a backpack. I guess I could put one on like a wallet. You know, now that I'm thinking about that, I totally could do that. 3 minutes mayo ad? Oh my god. I don't have ads up for that long. I'm surprised I got a 3-minute one. Custom and enamel pins are so expensive. That's what I thought. Did you get your leaf enamel keychain charm? I don't know what that is. Leaf enamel keychain charm? I don't think I did. I'm so sorry for Gore Tanuki. Can you remind me what that is? I'm sorry. And while you do that, I'm going to add a camera. Fake fan? I am a fake fan. I'm sorry. It's in the art print? What? Was it? I gotta check that right now. Hold on, give me a sec. Give me a sec. I am a fake fan. Oh my goodness, it isn't here! Oh shit! I'm sorry. Listen, I have an excuse. I actually have an excuse, which is I don't know. It's so precious to me. I haven't opened it. It's still sealed, like completely sealed inside the wrapper. Well, it's because I don't really have a place for my prints right now. There's like a big stack of prints and stuff I want to keep safe, and I'm scared to touch it because I don't want to hurt it or do anything to it. So I'm in the process of trying to think of like a good way to preserve my precious con stuff, and so it is on top of that pile, and I don't know what to say. What did Twitch hate me? They just do this for the love of the game. But I see it. I do have the leaf enamel keychain. I thank you so much, by the way. I appreciate it. You're precious. It is precious. And I forgot that was in there, though. I totally remember you putting that in there now. In my head, it's only been the print. So that's why I haven't felt compelled to open it up. Because the second I open it up, the print's going to get touched by human hands, and it's gonna be ruined. I have to like slip it into another like protective case or something. You're gonna get smacked with a paw? What? No, don't, please. No. It's fine. The paw is soft and squishy. I can handle it. What do you mean I work? I guess I want to get smacked by anything. I just want to record my character 360 and call it a day. Where's my camera? 67676767676767. Oh, are you happy? Again! Don't make me do it again. Please don't make me do it again. I beg it. Okay, how's that gonna look? How's that? And then, why is it like rotated a little in a way I don't want to? Can I? Oh no, why'd that happen? Okay, like that. What's going on here? Why is everything so hard? I guess I want it like that. Okay, I want this to be 180. And I need to bring this down like that. There we go. And now I set the resolution to really low so no one can look at my character. If you set it really low, it just becomes retro art and it's cool. Oh my goodness, it's not lit. Yo, when the thing you're doing is not lit, it's lame. It's saying no, it refuses. No, it's going to do it. Look, here we go. Here's light. And you're about to get so lit right now. So there's light from one side. Oh, no, that's not the right side. And then duplicate. And then can you rotate? Can you please rotate? Thank you. So here's a question. Why is there no light coming out? Because I got to set this up higher. What about this one? What is going on? Where's my light? Did I do it backwards? No, it's just so small. You can't even see it. Oh my, how high do I gotta make it? 10,000? Apparently I need to set both lights to a power of 10,000 to be able to see my character with lighting. Okay, rotate. And then again, and now, here we go. I don't have any more points to spend on 6-7. 0 lines of coke. I feel like I'm on 0 lines of coke. I'm so tired. But here it is. And now when I render it as an animation, it's very small in my... Oh, the stream's gonna lag. I forgot I can't render animations. Also, what the hell is that white thing? Is it the head? Excuse me. It's gonna happen again. I can't control it. I'm sorry. I guess I can't control it. I guess I can't hold it back. I guess the power was inside me the whole time, and I just had to believe in myself. Although I gotta say, oh, we gotta lag again more. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Sorry, lag in process. Here we go. Okay, there we go. That's something. Let's open this, and then open this, and then open... What is a C drive temp? It is. No, it isn't. Where did this... Wait, where did this get saved to? Oh, no. I have no idea where this gets saved to. It just gets saved to temp. Frick you. What? 7th 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. Oh, okay. There's all your 6 7s, you sick freaks. I hope you enjoyed. What the hell was this? Apparently, I did a render of a zombie dance at some point. Here's what it looks like. Okay, interesting. But I don't know where this got rendered to. Because it's not in my temp folder. Is it? Am I just crazy? I am. Because it got rendered to 555. So it's here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, then we can delete this. Then open a sprite and put you in here. Agree. And now we have the render in a sprite. Look at it go. It reminds me of my other friend's game that's like has pre-rendered low poly, low resolution art, and it's really cool. It's called Petrichor or something. Go check it out. Okay. How's that? That looks retro-y. Let's wait for the cooldown. Oh my god. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. Okay, are you happy? Are you happy? There's your 6 7 hand delivered to you. Oh, you got the diamond head. I hope you enjoy your diamondy head. Should I add? Okay. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room filled with rats. Rats make me crazy. Crazy. Why is this not fully transparent? Okay, there we go. Should I give them an outline? Can I give them an outline? How would I give them an outline? Also, how do I extend this frame? I think I have to, like, link it? Link cells? Okay, there we go. Woo! Alright, look at that! Now I have to export as a GIF. File, export as GIF. Yes, I just lost my window. Yes, choose file. So I guess downloads. No, I gotta go to my thing again. I gotta pin this. Where is it? Art fight. You're getting pinned. Pin to quick access. Zombie.gif. Export. Animated loop. I bet this is gonna be too big to upload. Art fight, my characters, the zombie. But here it is. Okay. Let's try and upload to art fight, maybe? I mean, it's still saying the server's going crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're unable to estimate the wait time. You're experiencing high volume of traffic using virtual queue limit. Oh my, it's not fair. It's not fair. Okay. Y'all, rubber room made with rats. A rubber room made with rats? Oh, God. Y'all, no, I don't want to save this as, I want to save as an A-Sprite file. I think our art fight time has come to a close. I think it's time to do math. I'm so sorry. But I'll check their Discord to see if the site is down. It seems pretty down. Baby, are you down, 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 down? How do I open my game? Oh, here it is. Whew. I was wondering when they were gonna put in the queue. Server built with spit and tears. Oh my god. This is so sad. Duct tape and gusto. But you know what? It's a good site. I'm glad they tried their best, and that's what's really important. Anyway, I guess I gotta switch this to game dev now. Game dev. Wait, what is this called? Art and... No, it's like software development. There it is, software and game development, okay. Oh no! Thoughts and prayers. Hi! We're going to be enabling a wait room on the website shortly. Unfortunately, the traffic here has been too much for our current infrastructure to handle. So we're hoping that this helps everyone be able to get access to the site in a fair manner while we get things back on traffic. Thanks for your patience. This is your fault, Tanuki! You brought me on! I was like the little bird that stood on the big pile of stuff about to tip over, and I've caused all the crash. It's my fault. Oh, hey, Juji. Art fight, I didn't think you would do one. Yeah, I mean, Tanuki's encouraged that has told me to make one, so I have. Yeah. Do you have an art fight? You should link your art fight if you're doing one. Built from, oh, caps lock. Whoa, 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 we game dev it? I know. I know. Well, I didn't tell you to make one. What was that? You definitely... I don't remember what the fraud... I don't want to make any claims. I don't remember, but... No, you encouraged me, and I was like, yeah, I will do an art fight. And then I did. But you were definitely the influence to do it in the first place. Pixel Tanuki Games on Art Fight. If you want to be a tax, guys, I gotta say I'm a little sad though because I chose Team Comedy and I thought Team Comedy was gonna be like the most like rare team, but Team Comedy is actually like the biggest team, so now I feel like such a fraud and not cool at all. I'm part of the mainstream team. What the hell is this? I thought everyone wanted to be edgy and brooding and would choose like tragedy or mystery. But no, everyone's funny. Everyone wants to be a funny guy. I see how it is. You can change teams. No, it's too late. I've already aligned myself. I'm not a traitor. I'm not a team swapper. That's even worse. Mine is mystery. But you are funny. This is no laughing matter. Oh my god, we do make the perfect trio. Mystery. Yeah, we just gotta commit to the bit. I can't go back now. Anyway, For context in terms of game dev stuff, this is what I'm currently working on. Is this. Do you like it? Do you think it's beautiful? I chose Team Tragedy because all my OCs are depressed. Oh, wait, link yours, shape-shifting cloud. I want to know everyone's. I'm guessing Juji's just gonna be Juji, right? I would look them up, but I can't because the art fight is down. And live in the apocalypse. Looks like a close-up on an olive. You know how, like, when you're a kid and you're gonna draw like a picture and you put a sun in the corner, but you don't have orange or yellow, so you gotta stick with red? That's what this is. Anyway, when I change this value here, it becomes big. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Wee! Wee! Okay. I need to actually smooth this out a bit. Okay, I think if I use some interpolation, if I use some easing here, it'll make it better. Let me first... Where am I using this R variable even? Where even is this R variable even? Oh, here. It's right here. I'm so not late, guys. Hey, Photogenic. Yeah, you're just on time. I mean, if you think about it, I just started working on game dev, so, I mean, in that sense, you're right on time for that. Ah, the sun is expanding. The sun is a deadly laser. Yo, just early trust. I trust. Oh my god, that makes it feel so much smoother. Oh my god, that was such a, like, 10,000 IQ move on my part to do that. Holy moly. Oh, that's so much smoother. Okay, listen. You're probably thinking, what even is this? What's happening? And yes, that is what you're thinking. Anyway, to continue, I'm aware that is what you're thinking. Anyway, next question. Red hole sun. What I really want is the ability to make it go all the way to the other side until the green is but a sun in the corner. You know what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? You sucking up what I'm sucking down? I don't know. My brain's tired. Okay. I need to stretch and like get my energy back. Give me a second. Ooh, all right. This is why we all need a stretch redeem. This is why everyone has a stretch redeem, but I don't. Okay. I'm gonna stretch up. Oh, that's where my bone crack. Oh my god, okay. Alright, stretch to the side. Alright, stretch to the other side. Oh! Alright, okay. That feels much better. What I really want to do is get on my bed and stretch my, like, thigh. You know when you, like, pull your leg back so it stretches your, like, upper leg? And that feels really good? I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I'm all the way over here. I don't know if you can even hear me. Alright. That's one leg. Okay, that's the other leg. Oh, I made a mistake. It's so comfortable in bed. Oh, I don't want to get out of bed. I don't want to stream anymore. Don't make me get up. Oh, you're making me get up. Oh! Oh, I hit my head on the microphone because I wasn't paying attention. Ooh. Okay. Alright, I have no clue why we are staring at two squares of different colors. Why wouldn't those are delightfully neon colors? You could just make a donut in a ball. When the donut reaches a size, the ball disappears. I prefer other colors over neon. I ain't complaining though, just confused. There's no need to be confused, everyone. I have a very good explanation for why this is happening. I'm changing the premise of my game to be red versus green. You pick a side of what your favorite color is, and then you have to fight all the opposing color to show why your color is better. But the truth is, it's played with a color filter that replicates red-green color blindness. So I don't even know what side you're even on. I think the green one is like grass magic, and the red one's like a volcano. And then like the volcano ones have like volcano cannons. You probably want to pick Team Red. It's like way better. I think you need sleep. No, nonsense. We still have half a stream to go through. So I want to do this, but to the other side. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it to the other side. All right, here we go. Actually, it should be pretty easy to do now that I think about it. Watch this. So if we do, so we have these two variables. We'll say, you see those guys over there? Yeah, we don't like them because, I don't know, I forgot the Chip Black quote. It's a tale as old as time. We just gotta fucking fight to defeat the volcano. Like, the volcano, it's spooky. Okay. Circle size. We're going to assign this in this if statement that doesn't have anything in it yet. Center, we're going to put in here. And then do this, do that. And then what am I? Okay, so if R, we're going to put this in here first of all. If R is greater than, no, we got to think about this for a second. If R is greater than 0, then we do this. Else, if R is less than or equal to 0, wait. No, this is correct. If R is less than or equal to 0, which means R could be -1, then we do float R2 equals -R, which makes it positive. And then, is this Java? This is the shader language of Godot. It's a language called GD shader. So no, it is not Java. I get what you mean though, because it is using like the syntax for the type as the variable declaration. So I see what you're saying, but unfortunately you are incorrect. It's more like GLSL based, which is based on C. So that's a thing. And then we do float R3. R2. Ugh, it's like Star Wars all over again. And then this is gonna go from center size to, wait, what am I doing again? So it's gonna go from center size, which is gonna be 0, to the corner size, which, okay, that makes sense. Then we're going from center, not center right center, but center left center, I think. So that's gonna be center left center. It's -6. Click this. Do that. That was not correct. And then bottom. Wait, what? Okay, bottom left center. I don't know what those namings are. I don't know what I was thinking. It's because it's the center of the circle that we're interpolating. Okay. So now if I go here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I mean, it's kind of what I wanted. Not really, though, because this needs to be inverted. Like one okay, hold on. Hold your horses. Everyone, hold on. I got this. So this needs to be inverted. Unfortunately, this needs to be inverted. So now, this... Oh no, it's weird now. No. What actually needs to be inverted is the R2 thing. I want a cinnamon roll skin pack on Discord, but it's so expensive. I'm broke as hell now, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay if you watch the ad things, you can like get the free points or whatever. And then you get like the all those skins for free, which is pretty cool for Discord to do. It takes a while for you to get a lot of the ads. I gotta be doing them like all the time. I used to do like all of them, but I've been slacking, so I haven't been doing all of them, and I suck. I need to get better. I need to get good. This is almost working. This is kind of what I wanted. The issue is, the circles, like, not... this pack is not available to buy with points? The oh, no! Dang, I'm sorry to hear that. I'd look at the cinnamon roll skin pack on Discord, but I don't have Discord, like, on this available to me right now. Maybe if I Google it. Cinnamon roll emoji packs. Oh, those are very cute. Damn. Yeah, you missed out. None with the Hello Kitty collab. Why would they do us like this? How could they? This is how, like, my shader's doing me right now. It's like, dang. How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Maybe if I swap these? Oh, no, that's not the answer. That is not the answer. So it seems like this, though, is correct. I think it shifted over a bit more, like -4. Okay, that was too much. -5. See, look at that. -5, 0.5? No, -5.2? These need to be like -4.8, maybe. Okay, maybe 4.7. No, 4.9. Ooh, I wonder why that happens, though. Okay, so look at that. That's almost correct. That's like almost exactly what I was talking about, remember? It's how I can now switch between these in that corner or that corner. Except now it's like I want the red to stay on the right side. So how do I do that? Boo doo boo boo. Bool flip equals false. My boss is gonna flip when he sees these numbers. It was our best quarter yet. And he flips. Make it negative. Just make it negative, lol. That's so true. Or even better, I can do this flip thing here and then just flip what's being set. So color is set. Oh, here we go. So if flip, we're gonna do something else. We're gonna do this. Now there might be a better way to do this because of, like, you know, you shouldn't use if statements. Can you change the area it's allowed to be in? I don't really understand the question. I'm sorry. Here's what I should do: is I should just assign the colors. No, this is fine. Where do you get green from? Here's the red, but where's the green? That's what I don't get. Like, oh, like, what? Right, so where's left screen? Where is green? Don't mind me. No, you're all good. Don't ever apologize. I don't know. I'm also very confused in my own stuff, so I can't really say one word. Oh, it's up here! Here it is! Duh! So here I can do if flip to assign this color. And then in here I can do something similar where if flip, we're gonna do something else. Otherwise, we do what was the default. And now we go to, I think, this one, right? And then set that here. And now, when we swap it, there, look at that. We can switch between, like, the red being taken over and the green taken over. Now, it's not perfect with a transition issue in the middle because of the way it snaps. I'm not sure how to fix that. That's gonna be a tough one to do. But so far, this is better than I thought I was gonna look today. Okay. Enough mucking around. It was all a ruse. It was all a debate. Oh, we're in an add-on progress. I can't even do my reveal yet. Okay. I guess I'll fix this right here. I mean, I guess I could fix it by making them closer together. So this is at 0, it's here. If I set it to 0.1, it's fine. But if I set it to negative 0.1, it's way off. for some reason. Do I need to set this lower? 5.9? It seems like a kind of a silly way to do this. Oh no, that isn't the solution. The solution is this. So now it's perfectly in the middle. Oh my god, it looks so good that way. Whoa! It looks so much better now. Yo! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, look at it! Now if I make it not, like, easing, how good would that look? Let's see. I love it! Wait, it's so nice! Oh, it kind of flips here. But that's fine. I think that's fine. Oh my, it's so smooth. I'm so happy with this. Wee! 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 Alright. Alright. Anyway, this is all debate. Let me go back to the easing actually. See how that compares. It is kind of interesting how it snaps like that. I kind of like that. Anyway. Anyway, the debate that I'm talking about is it's not really red versus green. That was all just something to get to distract the common people from knowing what was really happening behind the scenes. But now it's time for me to reveal my true card. I can't reveal my true card yet. I just realized I still have some issues. No, like if I, so I want this to be this. So I want it to be left screen here, and then I want this to be right screen. Why are these not assigned? Are they not kept assigned? Oh, they aren't for some reason. Why not? Viewport path, yeah, I want this. And then I want this. And that's not allowed? That's sad. Anywho, it flipped me to the opposite, so I want this to be right screen. BRB, want to finish my model before? Yeah! You do it! Get your model. Get your things done. I believe in you. Whoa. Ooh, shaders! Yeah, we shaded today. Oh, we're doing straight math. It hurts. It's painful. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. Here's what we're doing. Here's what's happening. Is that this is a puzzle game where you control two characters, but you need to be able to see both characters, right? So I have one camera for one character and one for the other character, and then when you switch between them, you do the transition that I just showed you. So I need to. This is gonna be hard to do. And let me set the game to embed, and then do this again. So I'm gonna do this all in here. So I can go in here, remote, single player, split screen, and then material? I don't know. Oh, here it is. See, that's gonna happen like that though, which I need to fix. But besides that, this is looking pretty good. Okay. Wow, it looks so awful when it's not red and green, huh? But, okay. I just need to update the center for this when I'm doing the transition to this. So let's start with that. Shader editor. I don't know if I can update the shader in here. But I can update it in here, but I can't because the thing is like pink and purple. No, the effect transition looks very characterful to me. Yeah, thank you. It just needs a little polish. It's not smooth because the center's set to this. Wait, I don't even understand what this was again. Offset? Oh, that's right. The offset was the center minus UV. The center being the center of the circle. But I don't want the center of the circle to be the same center as the thing. So I need this to be a different variable. Vec2 camera center. And then camera center is going to interpolate as well. So mix equals top right center, which is this. And we're going to interpolate that with what? I guess vec2... what would it be when it's 50-50? It would be like 0.75, 0.5 as the center, I think. We're in unknown thing offset. Okay, well that's just this. Oh, we don't know what that is because center hasn't been set yet. Oh, okay. In that case, I have to copy all this and then put it right here and then do all that. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. And then camera center. Oh god, don't we need 2 camera centers though? Ooh. Okay. No, it's fine. So we'll call it left camera center and right camera center. So left, right. And right now we're concerned with right camera center. So right camera center is all that. And then unknown identifier and expression R3. Oh, I need to retain the R3s. Can't I just do this all after the fact? No, because circle center or center is required for offset. Crap. Crap. Okay. Do. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry, I need to like close my eyes for a second and like relax. Okay. Oh my god, I'm like so tired. I'm gonna fall asleep on stream. All right. Okay. All right. Look, listen. Sing for me, my peasants. I mean, it's okay, so this is when this circle is here to the halfway point, which means we're transitioning from the corner to this. That makes sense. That's what I want. And then otherwise, we're transitioning from this halfway point here to the middle, which is 0.5, 0.5. And then we use this right camera center for this. But the issue is we need to know this relative to the UV. And UV minus center is the circle center. So what I actually want is UV minus this, UV minus this, UV minus this, I think. And then I can use this for the right screen always. I think. Do not quote me on that, because we're about to be proved wrong right now. Well, so far so good, actually. And if I transition this, nothing happens. Oh, because I'm not doing the remote one. That's so annoying that I have to do it this way, by the way. I guess it's because it's local to scene, but that's so frustrating that the editor can't figure out that's what I want. No, this didn't work. Oh, but this kind of worked right here. Look at that. It almost... the top corner is the center point. Oh! So can I update this in real time? Like, I know now that this needs to be 0, 0. Like, will this work? No. But what could work is if I set this to 0.5, 0.25, and this stays at 0. Okay. Okay, how's that? Let's try that again. Remote, boop. Oh, wait, no, we gotta set solo. And then everything looks like trash. But hold on, hold on. This isn't what we were testing. We were testing this. Oh, you know what? That actually looks really good. That's kind of what I was going for. I mean, I hate that that still happens, but we're getting there. I need it to end here, which means this should interpolate to UV minus this. Okay, wait, actually, yeah, I know that already. So we can just do this and then restart. And then, are you using the latest version of Godot, the one with the shader previews? I'm using 4.7, so I think so? I'm not familiar with shader previews. Can you explain that to me? What does that mean, shader previews? I mean, don't I have shader previews already with the fact that I can update the shader code and it shows me in the editor? Maybe? I don't know. Look, it like pops in right at the last second. That's not really what I'm going for, but hey. Whatever works, whatever floats your boat, am I right? Yeah, that's not correct. Why does it do that? I've never used them, I just saw on the update page thing. I'm kind of curious, let's go check that out. Godot 4.7. Because I remember, oh, come on. Come on, DuckDuckGo, why do you do me like this all the time? Okay, there we go. It's because of my VPN again. Okay, let's switch to a different server. I choose this one. Alright. Sorry for the bright mode, by the way. Yeesh. Where's the dark motor? On. Shader. Shader. Text-based shader operations. Inline previews of text-based shader operations? Okay. With inline text shader previews, is that what we mean? Why is it doing that? That's not correct. Anyone who's ever worked with coding ever. No! Not me! I know what's happening. I definitely know what's going on. I swear I do. I can definitely figure this out. I just need it to, like, not be evil. Is that too much to ask for? Why does DuckDuckGo have an Ask AI toggle? I don't know. But at least mine's set to always be off, I think. Did that appear on screen? I swear to God, if my no AI DuckDuckGo thing has an AI toggle. Oh, I guess it doesn't. I know. I wish it just would not use AI. But at least it has an option to turn it off with the URL. Which is nice. It's I don't know if it's nice, but it's better. If anyone else has a better suggestion for a search engine, I will happily take it. So my actual issue is that this is changing. This needs to be a constant value, which means it should be UV minus center, center always being top right corner. So what I really want is, what was it, UV minus center, which is that, because right now when it shifts over, it's shifting over the center point so much that even interpolating it makes it so that it's still off screen. But now when I do this, it should not do that. Oh god, solo. Oh, it's still a little imperfect. No! Well, that's because of the Y interpolation. Oh, whoa, God. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. I don't know, man. They all use AI. We just gotta wait till the AI pub will bop. It's not going away in search engines. People use it too much. Exosia plant trees based on how much you searched. Oh, wait, what? That sounds cool. I want Exosia. Exosia, the search engine that plants trees. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a main page I pulled up when I did it. It looks like ChatGPT test. Is that the trick? Well, this isn't AI at least, right? How do I create a shader in... I mean, it feels responsive. There's not an AI... Oh, there's the AI. There's the AI chat. Can I turn this off? Go to settings? I wonder if I have a no AI version. Can I just do no AI? I bet they don't. Yeah. Oh, AI free searching. Turn that on. Okay, and then now I can go back. How do I make shaders in Godot? Well, I obviously stay on page, but how do I save the settings? Accept all? Oh, save. Oh, that's the search the web. How do I make a shader in Godot? And there we go. Okay. Wow, notice how much better the search results got once I turned off the AI. Did you see what it was before? Did I already do that 6.7? I forgot. I think I did. Okay. Well, hey, I mean, there we go. I like planting trees. Okay, I can hang with this. Why not? Why not? Like many sources to make money from ads. We use 100% of that in profits for the planet. The result is 200 million trees and counting. AI search stand for actually idiotic. I know. It's so frustrating. Okay. Can I link a Can I send a link to the shader thing? Yeah, go ahead. I don't. What's the I don't know what that is, but I mean, link away. Are you sending a link to GodotShaders.com, the best resource for Godot shaders? At least in my opinion. It doesn't. Oh, hey, look at this. Let me copy the link, Twitch. Thank you. It's a poll. Pull. Improve inlight shader preview log. Oh yeah, this was on the 4.7 thing. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Wait, that's so cool. Oh, here it is. There's nothing there. Preview must contain an assignment. Okay. There we go. Look at it! Look at it! You can barely see, but there's a circle there. Okay, that's... You know, that's not good for this shader, but I think other shaders, that's pretty sick. I love that a lot. Holy moly. Okay. That's exciting. I need to use that more. Look at this! This is actually working pretty good. I just need to make it so that the Y, like, hits the bottom sooner. Or at least, like, extends out. I don't know. Yeah, that needs to come out way sooner. But... yeah, look at that! Woo! 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 Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Oh my god, they're making Assassin's Creed Black Flag remake? What? No! Don't tell me this is a thing already. This is my original OC Do Not Steal. Did someone already do a cool, like, two-side double dual screen thing? It's not fair. It's not fair. I thought of this first. Okay, anyway, yeah. No, don't control this. Look, I did some of the animations on the robot. Check it out. You can barely even see, probably, but like they hold their dress up when they run, and then their idle animation is like a little different from the zombie idle animation, which looks like this. There's no way you can see that. There's no way. If you look really closely, you can tell, I swear. Okay, so I need to move this down. Like, a lot. Excuse me, sorry. Okay. Well, let's close out of that. And think. What are we doing? So, this is the right camera center when R is greater than 0. And I need this, this Y to interpolate faster. How do I do that? I need to split up R3 again, I think, into like if R3 is what? Wait. So if so R is greater than 0, we invert it so that when it's 1, it's actually 0. So then what I'm actually looking for is R is less than 0.3. In which case we get R4 is equal to R3 divided by 0.333. And then we use that to do a faster interpolation to the bottom from this to this, I think. So float left equals this. So left to the same left x, but at y0. Oh no, this needs to be a vec2. And then, hold on. Oh my, it's 4 a.m. Time to move to bed. Oh, I'm so jealous. Oh my god, I want to go to bed so bad. Not even go to bed, just move to it. Yo, yep. I want to go to bed and I want to read smut. I don't want to program. Oh, but I must do this. I said I was going to do this today. If I do this, I've accomplished almost everything. So I really got to do this. I'm excited. I'm pumped to have this done. I know exactly what to do. I just need to do it. I just need to take the cloud in my brain and execute on it. I'm glad you feel me, shape-shifting cloud. You're literally what's in my brain. CERT is magic. I don't know about that. I'm struggling right now, but I appreciate the enthusiasm. So it goes to this, and then from this, I want it to go to, what was the number I had before? Oh my god, I forgot the number. It was 0.25. 0.25, okay. If you need to be faster, just use C. This is not gonna, not make it, it's a shader. You can't even use C for this. Okay, minus this. Divided by 0.666. And this needs to be R4, and this needs to be R4. So now it's gonna like shift down. Look how it's stretched. Do you see it stretch a little? That's not right. That's not correct. Okay, whatever. Let's see how it looks in the preview. So look at that. Look how it's stretching right now. That's not correct, is it? But how can that, what? But like that shouldn't matter though, because oh, Big Boy Games officials rated again. Oh my god, Big Boy Games, hello, how you doing? Wow, thank you for the follow, Yoshi Plays. Hey, how's it going? I'm suffering. We're doing shader stuff. It's not fun. I'm perishing. Okay, here's what I'm trying to do right now. So I have a game. It's a multiplayer game, but you can also play it single player. This is what it looks like. You can't really see it that well. Oh god, that looks awful. But you play as 2 characters, and I want to be able to like transition between which character you're playing as in like a cool effect with the split screen. So, you know, normally it looks like this, where you play as one character and the other one's like in the corner, and then when you swap over, it swaps over to the other character like that. Did you? I don't know if you, my big ass hand is in the way, but it goes like woo, woo, and that's easy. To have the little screen shares be like this is easy. What's hard is doing the math to do the transition between, because it's not working out for me. When I'm trying to make this right side work, when right now it's doing this. Which is not good. I'll tell you that. I just need it to move down. Why is it stretching like that? It did not work. It's not working. It's not. Why is it stretching like that? I'm just shifting the center. That should have no effect on the stretch. I don't think. I think. Right? So what is left? Left is... I thought I did this. It's like worse than it was before. That's the worst part. I feel like I should just Control Z it back to how it was. but I know I'm gonna regret that. But here I go. Maybe I'll learn something. Okay. Here's where it was. And it went from from this to UV minus vec2 25. And that gave us something pretty good. Shears are hard. And it's not just hard, it's like taunting. Because it doesn't explain, it doesn't tell you. We don't know why it does what it does. It just laughs at you. Like, this is pretty good right here. See how the center, like, smoothly transitions? It's just a matter of this bottom part not having any content in it. Like, that would work. Like, this would be fine. In fact, I should probably do this for both sides. Yeah, exactly. Like, no error messages or anything when something goes wrong. I know. Yep, you can't even, like, print anything or get the state of things. Yeah, exactly. I know there's debuggers and stuff like that. I think there's some sort of Godot shader test thing. I don't know. I can never figure it out. I can never get it to work. At least the middle mode looks nice. And then immediately goes to trash. Okay. Well, let's make it so that the left side always looks good. Because right now the right is decent. Like, this is fine for what it is. It would be nice if it came... Maybe we should have this part, like, just come down first. Till it's at the point it's supposed to be at. And then it expands the circle. Oh, but it's not the vision, though. You're working on the bane of two worlds, rendering and math coding. Yeah, but one of those is my realm. It's my realm, the realm of code. So how dare it try and taunt me when this should be my strength? If I can't code, then what am I? Chopped liver? Ew. Chopped sitter, more like. I don't know. Left camera center equals mix of what? So on the left's in the one in control, I want this. Wait, look at this. This is UV minus vec2 0. So I want that for this. And then I want it to transition to it being on the side, which is this. Except it's not this. It's this minus 25 R3. And then for this, okay, wait, hold on. Then I gotta set this right here. And then right. And here's the other one I want. This one. So we want the final state of the left camera center to be this. After transitioning to this. But that's not correct. That is absolutely not correct, I don't think. Right? Well, let's try it. Then you're a LARPer! Oh no, a code LARPer! Dear God. Yeah. I'm sorry, you all had to find out this way. The truth is, I am the world's greatest code LARPer. I don't even know how to code. It's actually someone else at the keyboard. I just do the dialogue. I'm not even a real person. What the hell is happening here? Oh, I know what's happening here. It's because I'm doing the thing again where I'm like processing the calculations while the offset is being modified. This just needs to be offset, which is UV minus center. UV minus center. Center being bottom left corner, right? And now that will be slightly more correct, but not perfectly correct. And I gotta go back here, remote, blah, blah, blah. I knew some random was gonna happen. I'm sorry, some random. Well, you're a Wish TV head. These are not even human. Yeah. Why would you? But what if I want to be human? What if that's who I define myself as? Oh, hey, look, that's actually not bad. Hey, look at that. That's actually pretty good. I mean, obviously, this one right here, this needs to be fixed. But besides that, that's actually kind of what I'm looking for. How do I fix that? I think this needs to be 45 and then 6, maybe? You're not going to update, are you? Nope. What I should do is set this to be all the way on the right-hand side so I don't have to update it every time. Yeah, okay. Solo! There we go. Okay, cool. And now I can like go between. So, like, where is it? Here it is. Material. So right now, we are on robot mode. We're focused on the robot. We're playing the robot. Woo! Woo! This wire needs to be physically interpolated or cloth physics or whatever, but that's hard. And then I'm like, I'm gonna switch my character. Woo! And now you're this character. And then you go, whoa! Whoa! Time to switch again. Woo! And then we're back here. And so that's basically the game. That's what I've been working towards, everyone, is a game like this. And I think there will be an option. There is going to be a multiplayer version where you just have each player plays one of the characters separately. But, you know, I want single player to have, like, first party support. It should still be a fun game even if it's single player. So, yeah. Woo! 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 This actually came out really cool. I like this. I hate the way it's like sort of snappy. Make it work first, make good letter, don't be harsh with yourself, learning new things are meant to be this way. Counterpoint. I will be harsh on myself. I will try to make everything perfect at first, but I appreciate the message nevertheless. But I will fight to make things look nice. Because, what's with the T posting Sadaku? What does that mean, Marmalade? Sadako. All that comes up is Sadako Yamamura from The Ring. Is that what that character is? Someone threatened me to finish my art fight ref so I can go to bed. Shape-shifting cloud. If you don't finish your art ref, whatever, then I'm gonna stop streaming. There's your threat. This is a threat, not a promise. Actually, this is a promise, not a threat. In Minecraft. Woo! Wait, I can't switch the thing if I'm... Oh my god, thank you for the 10 stream streak, Garkon. Streaking in chat. What? Damn, is that a whole naked Godot out in my chat right now? That is not appropriate. That is absolutely not appropriate. Anyway, look what I did. I can't even show you because I unembedded it. But I can now swap between... I can't even show you because the second I click on Godot, it's gonna get hidden. But if I... Wait, what was I even gonna test again? Oh! It feels appropriate, though. You're appropriate. Boo. Oh, yeah, what I was gonna test was removing of the... Oh, yeah, the easing. Okay. So let's rerun it again. Remote. Test level. Split screen. This. So now it's... Now it doesn't snap as much. It's linear, which is better. I don't know if it's better per se. Like, maybe players would want a 50-50 mode. I don't know. I wish there was a better way to do it. Like, why does the line move so little here? Because it's just a big circle. Oh no. Oh no. Shape-shifting cloud. I know I threatened you by saying I'm gonna end stream early if you don't do your thing, but I think I'm gonna end stream early regardless. So don't take offense to it when I do. That's a lot. I know. I'm so tired. I made progress. I did a thing. I did good. I deserve a rest. Do I not? I deserve it. That's what really matters. Let's do it. Let's rest. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're all tired. Yeah, but I'm like super tired. Have you tried not being tired? Whoa, wait. Garkon, you're onto something. Let me try that. Hello, everyone. I'm not maximum capacity strength. What? Why is it so weird? Woo! Woo! I just wish I could test this like smoothly. It feels like it's so extra though, you know? Woo! 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 Like, see how it like bumps it over? That's so funny. Tough Toff followed. Oh, thank you, Tough Toff. Thank you for joining the Goober Gang. Rest is good. Tired code is always perplexing. I heart funny boys. Where? 6767676767677. By the way, where do you get the Godot emoji? Rest is. Oh yeah. I heart funny boys. This is how I imagine your brain when you're remembering things. I finished my test low poly. Oh my god! Holy cow! Let's go! That's Pixel Tanuki. Tanuki. That's what I was asking you about earlier. You're like, I messed up my weight paints, and I'm like, oh, what are you modeling right now? And you're like, what? And I was like, I don't. I'm just, you said you're weight painting something, so I assume you're modeling something, and you didn't know what there was like some miscommunication. But what you're working on was a test low poly character. Is all I was saying. Too soon for you to know. Well, I mean, you can just say that then. I was just curious. I was just filled with curiosity. But yeah, all good. Sorry, the energy of the Wii Shop channel messed up my train of thought. I will know regardless. God damn, I got 19 viewers, y'all. I don't got anything to do. I'm going to bed. Someone give me someone to raid. I'm tired. Thank you all for hanging out, though. I appreciate it. I accomplished. I made an art. Let me check if art fight's back up. Art fight. Oh, okay. Fine. I'll submit an art fight character. If this is working. The zombie. A zombie from the zombie outbreak that fell into a science-y lab. Is in love with the robot. The Syrup God won! Oh my god, the original! Hold on. Let's try this. Let's try this. Choose image. The zombie? Okay, why did it say 51 PNGs instead of a GIF like I asked it to? Oh, here it is, the GIF. Okay, and then I created it. Everything else is good. Okay. I gotta add tags? Oh, no, let's just submit the character first. Oh! The zombie submitted! I did it! The zombie. It's kind of hard to see. I should have upscaled it. Whoops. Can I still do that? Wait, hold on. Open recent. Zombie.gif. Oh, I didn't even save it as an A-sprite file. Saved it as a GIF. Oh, no. Oh, well. Yippee! Wait, let me upscale by like 600%. Yes. Okay. And then how do I edit this? Wait, what's full view? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Edit. Oh, wait, what's the... Whoa, there's like things! Whoa! Character tags... character controls, hide, archive, delete. Can I not change the image? Oh, images. It's like a whole tab. Whoa! Images. Rate some Randev. They're pretty good. Thank you, Garkin. I just had a 2-hour nap after work. I'm alive, I think. Curse of Jif upon ye. I'll deal with the war effort tomorrow night, everyone. Good night, shape-shifting cloud. I'll be joining you shortly. Upload. Okay, main image. ZombieGIF.1. Yes, I created it. Submit. And now, I can't tell the difference. They're both the same. Okay, character info. Is it bigger now? Can I delete one? Please tell me I can delete one. Oh, here we go. Edit image. Delete image? Is that the most recent one or the newest one? I don't know. So I'm gonna delete both of them and just upload. Oh, I have to. Okay. Save sort order. Submit. And then character info. This is a confusing site. This site's confusing. Okay. Home. Characters. The zombie. I feel like this image is still really small, but maybe that's intentional. Is this? No, it's definitely low res, right? I gotta check on this. I have to check on this. Art fight, my characters, the zombie.gif. Properties, details. I don't know. Let's try editing again. Edit. I really don't want to push it, but I mean, here we go. Let's go upload a new main image. So we're just gonna upload a static one. Submit. And then obviously I know which one is which now, so I can delete this one. Delete, and then I can re-upload a new image. The GIF. Submit that. And then I want this one to be main one. This one can be deleted. And now I can save sort order, manage characters, my characters, the zombie. Oh, there we go! Okay, that's pretty cool. It's pretty like retro-y and pixely. That's fun. Why is there like... See how like they're pushing away the background? Do you see that? Am I crazy? No, I'm not crazy. Y'all can see that, right? I'm looking at my stream feed. You absolutely cannot see that. If you visit the page, you'll be able to see what I'm saying. I need to add a pixel filter to my game. This game, it looks so much better with a pixel filter. It looks so much better. Holy moly. Okay. Well, crap, if I can do it just a spin. I don't know. Okay, what'd y'all say? Ear end? Let's raid ear end. Raid channel. Oh, Hyper is streaming. Oh, crap, if I knew Hyper was streaming, I would have asked for suggestions. I think I'd go Hyper, right? Hyper is doing like a Minecraft thing. Y'all, we're doing Hyper. I'm sorry. I want to see talk about like the Minecraft jam. We live in a 3D world. This is my raid message. That's if you're a sub, and if you're not a sub, you get ice cubes. We live. Don't I have like exclamation point raid? Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. All right. Start raid. Boom. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, I see you, Pawn. Oh, Pawn betrayed me and went over the Hyper. Oh, you traitor. I see how it is. I'm raiding now. All right. Send my raid message. There we go. Boom. Anyway, see you later.